Hey guys, welcome back to ICT trading concept. I hope everyone is cool. Yeah, I know that I have to explain everything, but before that, I would love to hold little more, okay? Because I took an entry depending on the breaker. I would love to see if it works or not. I just put my stop loss to the break even. Even if I get stopped out, I won't take any loss, okay? So just give me some little more time. I would love to see how it works. Then I'm gonna start the session. At the same time, I'm bullish. So this is the last fair lookup from 15-minute chart. That's why I try to take that buy. Okay. So it's in short, that's all. Just would love to see if it works or not. I'm not going to read your comment. I'm gonna read them little later. If I get stopped out, I'll take some profit over there. Let's see if it works or not, and then I will talk. Give me some more time, okay? I mean, Saudi Arabia, brother Peter Henry. Okay, guys, I'm gonna read your comment. Just give me little more time, okay? I took this entry depending on that breaker. So high, sorry, low, high, lower low. Here is low, high, lower low. Highest up close candle, my breaker. I would love to see market will close above that high. If it fails to close above that high, I'm going to be stopped out. So yeah, wait at stop loss. Either it will work or it won't work. It's because I'm just before 9:30. I don't want to hold the trade for so long. Either it will work or I will be stopped out. That's all. I'll put it over here. I thought that I won't take any more entry over here, but when I have seen this perfect setup, you can see price actually came to this last fair lookup from 15-minute chart. After coming over there, it just gave me this breaker. So I thought let's try one more time. But the thing is, when this candle started to go high, I didn't push my button. I just pushed my button when it tapped to that last fair lookup from 15-minute chart. I was pretty much sure that market will go higher. That entry was like turtle soup. Yeah, you can say turtle soup. I never tried that on. It is the first time I pushed my button over there because I was overconfident that market will go higher. Now I'm just observing this breaker because this breaker should hold the price. If I wouldn't push my button over there, then my entry would be here. That candle, that would be my entry. Depending on that breaker block. All I want to see, market will close above that line. All I want to see. I'm gonna put my stop loss below that low because this is the 50-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Market can tap over there, then it can fall. So I don't want to take that risk. I will forward 13 handle, which will be huge for me. So yeah, that's all. I was pretty much sure that market is going to make a breaker block over there. So it made, but I know I should not put my stop loss over there because market can retest that breaker block one more time. It can retest. But as I'm very near to 9:30, you can see after 9, every entry is very dangerous. Okay, the perfect entry doesn't work in that time frame. So from 9 to 9:30 is a very dangerous moment. I don't want to hold my trade, so I will just trail my stop loss to first. If it works, I will be happy. If it doesn't work, I'll get stopped out. That's all. This breaker block with this breaker block, I wanted a market structure shift actually, the 22 YT model, but yeah, I didn't get it. That 22 YT model I didn't get. Instead of that, I actually got that breaker only. So I will try. I'll give it a try. Okay. And what I will do, I will just like that. Split my stop loss into two. There will be one stop loss, that will be another stop. I split my stop loss into two, and I will put one over here, another one over here. All I would love to see, market will close above that line. That's all I want to see. When market came here to that 15-minute bearish parabolic gap, it can reverse now. So I will put one stop loss over there, another one just here above that order block. Because this is the bearish 15-minute parabolic gap, market can tap over there, then it can go for the sell side. It can do that. Okay. I want to take that risk, so I will just split my stop loss and I will trail my stop loss to first. Again, guys, I'm extremely sorry. I shouldn't do that, but as I'm already in the market, I have to finish this first. Then I'll come. Overall, just remember, I'm bullish. This is the only barricade which can stop the price. This bearish parabolic gap that can stop the price. If market can go through that parabolic gap, okay, man, that would be nice. Okay, until here, sorry, not there. This is the extreme buy side liquidity. Sorry, that buy side liquidity will be triggered if this parabolic gap fail to hold the price. I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. Another one I'm gonna put it below here. There should be a down close candle. That can be the word. Okay, one partial close. So I have rest one left. Let's see if it stopped me out or if it can keep going higher. Nobody closed above that line. See, nobody closed above that line. It's a sign that I should not hold my trade because nobody closed above that line. Look at 15-minute chart. Market came lower to that last parabolic gap. Then it went higher and okay, it didn't stop me out yet. Thought it stopped me out. I will read all of your comment. Okay, done. Guys, one more second. I need to change my account because in this morning session I don't want to trade in my live account anymore. I got near about $2,000 profit, more than 2,000, I guess. Yeah, it's $22,000. I mean, sorry, not 22,000, $2,200. Yeah, I'm done with that, and I will go with my another small account, 50K account. Where are you, brother? There you go. Cool. Done. So guys, how are you all? Can you hear me, guys? This is the last parabola from 50 meter. Let me go to the 50 meter over here. Today is Wednesday, and Wednesday is actually the expansion day. We have a news around 9:15, no, sorry, 9:45, 10, and 12:10. So I have three news, and before 10, I'm not interested to push my button. I will observe the price just, and I will see if it is tradable or not. You see, this is the last parabolic gap. I thought market won't reach here, but yeah, it came here over there. When it come here, I'm thinking that the lower run has done. The market doesn't need to go lower again. Now it should expand higher only. I have the buy side liquidity over there, all of this buy side liquidity, and this buy side liquidity from 15-minute chart. I have all of this from my chart. You can see there is a 15-minute last parabolic gap around that area. This is market tap over there, went lower. This is the last parabolic gap, that is the last parabolic gap. Price is inside this two level. If this parabolic gap fail to hold the price, then market is going higher. If it holds, the market is going lower until that last parabolic gap from 15-minute chart. This last parabolic gap will be my target. If market can break this one, if market can break that one, then I'll be bearish until this parabolic gap. That's all in short. Thank you. Loud and clear. Thank you. What? Okay. Lot of comment. I am unable to read your comment, guys. If you would love to ask me anything, you can ask me now. I'm ready to read your comment. Okay. That fit guys said something very true. Some days it's odd to watch news, but ICT don't like. I know. What did you say? That Fed guy said something bearish too. Okay, today's Fed chair Paul speak. I hate him. We have that news around 12:10. So until 12:10, I'm expecting some kind of sloppiness. After 12:10, I will expect the same sloppy or choppiness. It's really hard for me to trade today, as there is the Fed chair Paul speak. As I always say, I'm really a noob about Fed chair Paul speak, but we will see if we can do anything or not. Is market bearish? Looking for this small price action? I mean, until now, I feel bearish. I feel bearishness. Why? Market went higher, take the liquidity, then went lower. Again, market went higher, take the liquidity. Now it's going lower. It's kind of bearish signal. In a expansion day, price actually keep doing this. Take the buy side liquidity, fall. Take the buy side liquidity, fall. Take the buy side liquidity, fall. Or take the sell side liquidity, go up. Liquidity, go up. Something like that. Over here, now I have the turning point. Okay, before 9:30, I can see this is the last parabolic from 15-minute chart. This is the recent bearish parabolic. Okay, that means if you are expecting reversal, you should not take entry from that 15-minute parabolic gap. You should look for a sell setup from that parabolic gap. So this is that parabolic gap. If it is broken upper, then I will be extremely bullish. Okay, extremely bullish until that buy side liquidity. Remember the level 18514. Until that buy side liquidity, I am extremely bullish. If this guy is holding the price, market go below this parabolic gap, then I will be bearish until this parabolic gap. Until this parabolic gap, I'll be bearish. In short, okay. On the 5-minute time frame, there is a breaker block. I don't know about that, brother. Also, morning time, one guy said one interest rate hike and damn that sold to 50-ish. Okay, we will see the price until 9:30. Until 9:30, we will get our decision. Is market really would love to go higher or lower? So this is the dollar index from 15-minute chart. You can see market came here, tap to that 50-minute, sorry, not 50-minute, I guess hourly. Yeah, it's the hourly parabolic gap. Now market is falling. This is the sell side liquidity over here. Also here, lot of sell side liquidity here. That is my target. Market is going toward that sell side liquidity. So I'm thinking that market is going toward that liquidity. Now here is the same situation. This parabolic gap. If it is broken, market will go higher again in a longer term. Okay. If you look at the daily chart, you can see market went higher, tap to the daily parabolic gap constant encroachment, take all the buy side liquidity. Now it is falling. Okay, now the dollar index is falling from the daily chart. It's clear that market is falling. Now if this guy is falling, Nasdaq should go higher. From daily chart, if you see from daily chart, Nasdaq and dollar index, both of them are going to fall. It's a very tough situation to trade. The reason is dollar is falling, Nasdaq is also falling. Really so difficult for anyone to trade. Okay, around this type of situation, the best option is not to trade. Like yesterday and today, both of them are the same direction. So by studying our ICT concept, we know we should look for the buy side liquidity. Everything is telling us we should look for the buy side liquidity. But market is falling. This guy is falling. This guy is falling. Just look at the daily candle over here. This too is down close candle, right, from dollar index. This two is down close candle from Nasdaq. So both of them are going to the same direction. Over here, see this week. I thought that market will reverse from the constant encroachment of that week, but it so far it has broken that constant encroachment of that week. That means the last parabolic from the daily chart has broken already. The last parabolic from daily chart has broken already. So looking at this situation, it's looking like market is coming here to that lower last parabolic from 15 minute chart. If you go to 15 minute chart over here, this is that last parabolic from 15 minute chart. Overall, it's look like that. Okay, market came here, went lower, take the buy side liquidity, falling. Make another parabolic from 15 minute chart, tap to that 15 minute parabolic, falling. Seems like market is falling. If it keep falling, I will try to take some sell, though it's against my bias. Yeah, I will try to trade. Okay, I am not sure what is going to happen before this is non-farm payroll week, guys. The hardest week to trade. And if you really ask me, we should not trade in non-farm payroll week. We should not trade at non-farm payroll week. If you are overzealous, then you can trade until the Wednesday morning. From the PM session, no entry is valid until non-farm payroll news released. So you get nice win when less pressure, I guess. Happy to see you overcome loss from yesterday. Yeah, man, thank you. Thanks for that. Yeah, with $200 profit, I wasn't sure about that, but by taking that last trade, I got this $200 profit. So I just mitigated all of my losses from yesterday. I did something very extreme, okay, because I knew that today's morning session is gonna be very bad for me. The reason is Fetcher Paul speak. So I tried to mitigate my loss before the morning session. So I tried my level best. Okay, today I actually did the scalping. We accept two entry. Every entry was profit near about 150, $150 or $200. Just 100, $150 or $200. I get that. I close my trade. I get that. I close my trade. I take a small loss. Again, I get that. I close my trade. So I did that today's morning, and I mitigate all of my losses with $200 profit. Now I'm in my small account. In this account, I'm only eligible to take one entry, just one entry. I have the one chance to take entry because this is my small account. My maximum stop loss is $1,000, and I'm struggling with this account. So yeah, I will try to take the decision with precision. Okay, I will go for some kind of A++ setup. Otherwise, I'm not gonna push my button with my small account. The best option is for me not to push my button. Congratulations on your win. Thank you, Evoniel. Thank you, man. 50 is hit against the if we check, we stress for the upside move, but downside move was like butter. Yeah, man, it's kind of situation. Every decision I will take depending on that last parabolic. If it is broken, I'm bearish until this parabolic. From 15 minutes, this is the last parabolic. There is the entry parabolic over here. I didn't mark it. Okay, I didn't mark it, but if this is broken, I will believe that market is coming here. But at the same time, always I have only the bull intention. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Market has taken the liquidity again. Tap to this 3-minute fair value gap, last fair value gap. Now if it gave me the market structure shift, that's the setup as well, but before 9:30 no entry is valid. So I'm not gonna push my button over here. I will better watch it. See the pro, I don't normally listen to news, but it was bullish for currency, and so future should be bearish until the next news. See the pro, I really don't know about the data released by the news. I don't know what they release, what is the effect or impact by the news. I know nothing. All I know is my chart, and I know there is a news. If there is a news, there will be volatility. That's all I need to know. I don't know what they're going to talk about, and by talking their, I mean, by their decision, is market going higher or lower? I don't know anything because I believe that market has no relation whatever they talk. Market has no relation. So it will do whatever it is going to do, but around news time there will be the manipulation by human being. Okay, there is nothing no relationship with algorithm. That means around the news time, before the news, after the news, it's around, I mean, before the news 15 minutes, after the news 15 minutes, near about 15 minutes. Okay, it's the highly manipulated by the human being. So in that time we should avoid the trade. Otherwise I don't care about the data released by the news or anything. I don't care about anything. Market, if market give you the structure, you can trade. If it doesn't give it to you, then you should not trade. That's all, brother. Today there is PMI. Yeah, 9:45 and 10 is the PMI. 6 won't trade in AM session. That's the best option, brother, because 10 until 10 we have the news. Then 12:10 also we have the Fed chair Powell. I will also try to avoid the trade. I will just seeing the price, and if I see a plus plus setup, then maybe I will go for the trade. Otherwise, I will just observe the price. Again, guys, until NFP, trust me, man, this price action is like very difficult to trade. Okay, it's really so difficult to trade. At the same time, thanks to all of you whoever subscribed to my channel. I am just 19 people left to touch $5,000, 5,000 subscriber. If I get that today, I'll be happy. I'll be very happy. Okay, if I get that 19 more subscribers, I'll keep it over there and I will see if it react or not. I will mark this low for seeing the price, how it is reacting. Okay, this low, that low, that low. I'll just observe the price. This last parabolic gap is still, it's not broken. So yeah, is that 15-minute parabolic gap above? Absolutely, brother. This is the 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. If you just go to your 15-minute chart, you can see this is your 15-minute bearish parabolic gap. So price came here, broke lower, tap to that 15-minute parabolic gap. As I explained, if you are looking for sell, if you were with me at the beginning, I told that market can just tap over that, then it can reverse. That's why I trailed my stop loss too fast. Okay, I had no other option because I didn't know this is broken or not. If it is broken, then market is going to take that high. If it is holding the price, then market is coming here to that last parabolic gap. See this last parabolic gap from 15-minute chart, it's coming over here. Everything is dependent now between these two parabolic gap. This is the last parabolic gap, this is the perfect parabolic gap. So I guess this guy is going to be the winner. I will wait until this candle close, then I'll close this parabolic gap. So I believe that market is coming here to that parabolic gap. All of this low is going to be taken. Yeah, I'm gonna remove it. But again, I have no opportunity to take entry because it's before 9:30. So until 9:30, no entry is valid. Let's go 5K. Let's see if we can hit that 5K or not. I just need, okay, one more guy actually subscribed. Thank you, guys. Thank you, brother, for subscribing. Just need 80 more people. When the last parabolic gap is broken, I'm believing that market is coming to that last parabolic gap, exactly to that parabolic gap. No, it's not reversing from this entry parabolic gap. It is going to take all of this low, then it is coming here. That last parabolic gap, that's my belief. Okay, I'm not sure 100%, but so far I'm thinking like that way. But I will see, and I will wait until 9:30. Then 9:45 we have news. Around 10 we have news. We have a lot of news today. Be careful, okay? Oh my god, I feel FOMO now. Don't think about the entry, brother. The best option is not to look for any entry. Not to look for an entries. For example, if you ask me, I am seeing an entry over here. Is it eligible? No, it's not eligible. I'm just before 9:30. You know the volatility? Boom, boom, something like that. I don't want, for example, if I was able to push my button, I would push my button like this way. Don't push your button, okay? Please. Until here. That would be my entry. This high should be protected and market should fall lower. In short, okay? But as I told, we are just before 9:30, so I'm not gonna push my button. over here, better I will just observe I will just see the price, how it is going to work. That's all. It's really a difficult day to trade, so be careful. Okay, just be careful. Just be careful. 5 minutes left for 9:30. See how this guy work. We are currently in the entry fair lookup from 15 minutes chart, the bigger entry fair lookup. It can stop the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity, but I'm not believing that market is going to do that, because if market would really would love to go higher, then it would go higher from the last fair lookup. I have just removed from my chart. It didn't need to come here to that entry fair lookup. As it come here to that entry fair lookup, I'm believing that market is coming at least until that last fair lookup. Okay, that's my belief. Agree, sir. Totally, I only need $50 to pass 200-day challenge. Just said my feeling to you. You are my teacher. Okay, if you are just left, I mean $50 left, then wait until Monday or Friday PM session. Wait until Friday PM session, brother. For making $50, don't take $500 loss. That's my request, brother. For making $50, don't take $500 loss. Just wait until Friday evening, because Friday is the non-farm payroll. At the morning session, at the PM session, you will must get an answer, one setup. Okay, at least one setup you will get in Friday evening. So just wait until then. Okay, just 2 days, today and tomorrow, because just you are just left $50. Don't let that opportunity go. Trade micro, I would suggest first. Okay, yeah, you can trade the micro as well. I don't know about the micro, but yeah, yeah, you can try by my micro, I guess. But I'm not interested about the micro because I don't know about the price action. It's little different for me. But you can try over there. I will wait. Thank you, Sizo. If you ever feel the FOMO, if you ever feel the FOMO, either put this tool or push your button through your uh, paper money. If you ever feel like, oh man, I'm just gonna miss this entry. I have to take that entry now. I can feel the market by putting that tool. Okay, I can feel the market. Now if you can't feel the market by putting that tool, then train yourself by pushing paper money to feel the market. Okay, and whatever the result is, you have to be happy. If it hits your target, you have to happy, because you are right, you read the price perfectly. If it is hit your stop loss, you will be happy because you didn't take that entry to your real account. Simple, man. Microsoft more manipulated. Yep, KCZF, something like that. Micro, I don't recommend anyone, and I don't trade micro. Now, if anyone knows how to trade them, they can go. Okay, I just can't say that you don't trade micro. That's all I can say. ST mini, brackets 1 to 1 are $50. Yeah, you can do that as well. No problem with that. Whatever, but my, if you ask for my advice, I will tell you to wait until Friday PM session. Until Friday PM session. Don't push your button. How beautiful the setup you saw in the market this today. Don't push your button. Just wait until PM session, Friday PM session. That's my opinion. Okay. Top step X has a lockout features which I like. Okay, I don't have the top step X, so I have no idea how to use that top step X. I heard that there are so many lag. Okay, we're just see 4 seconds left for 9:30. 2, 1, 0. There. Let's see. Okay, 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 okay. Little bit. Okay, it hit my stop loss. Then I would love to see if it really can go lower or it keep going higher. At the same time, I have to observe the regular trading hour. What is that? Seriously? I don't think so. I need to mark that opening gap because it's not going to feel that. Okay, I'm gonna remove this line. So this is the Judas swing, I believe. Now market should fall or it should go lower. Now I have this relatively equal lows, this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows over here. Very clean sell side liquidity. I'm gonna mark them as my sell side liquidity. I have that sell side liquidity over here now. So market should go for that sell side liquidity now. From where it is going to fall. Go to your 15-minute chart. Is there any fair value gap? No, there is no fair value gap. That means it can fail from if 1 minute last fair value gap or 1 minute any kind of reaction. So let's see if it can fall. Are you willing to am I willing to take an entry? No, I'm not willing to take an entry. I'm in my small account, so I will try to take the best entry opportunity. It's going higher, brother. Take the entry, take the buy entry. No, I'm not interested to take the buy entry around this area where I can easily see market left that buy sell side liquidity over there. Very clean sell side liquidity, okay? Yeah, very clean sell side liquidity over here. So I'm not interested to take buy. Even if I get a very nice market structure shift, I'm not interested to take buy. I need 200k. What should I do? You have to join with me to my psychological challenge. You have to join over there. Yes, it should take 18230. Let's see, brother. I'm expecting like that way. Actually, my expectation is market is not only going to take that sell side liquidity, it is going to take that low, and finally it is reaching over here. That's my expectation. Well, I will see about this fair value gap. Let's see if it can hold the price or market actually keep falling. How to join it? Dana, just go to my Twitter. In my Twitter I have already tweeted that. Just go over there and look at my pin post. Here is the pin post. Okay, guys, I need the screenshot only. Okay, I don't need your explanation. Some of you are just giving me explanation. It's really hard for me to read. Okay, if you just message me, I have to read that. So it's gonna be difficult for me because a lot of you are sending me the screenshot. So please try to send me the screenshot. For example, I'm thinking market will come here, then it will go higher. Okay, it didn't happen yet. So what you will do, either you will put this thing over there, maybe something like that. Okay, something like this that you should put and give me the screenshot, not like this. After the effect, what do I mean by after the effect? It will come here, then it come here. Now you take an screenshot, send me. No, not like that. You have to send me the screenshot before the setup has done already. So when the setup create the form in the market, then you have to send me the screenshot, please. And please don't write down it worked well or not, because I can see it that easily. I can see that easily it worked or not. Please just send me the screenshot, nothing else, and not after effect, before effect, please. If you keep sending me the setup after effect, that means after taking the entry has done, now you just give me the screenshot, brother, it worked. No, I am not gonna pick you, okay? That's for sure. Market is going higher, but as I told you that I was thinking market will go lower. Take that sell side liquidity. I'm not interested to take buy over here around that area. I'm not interested at all. Um, yeah, I'm not interested at all. I'll have to mark the last fair value from 1 minute chart. See, this 1 minute chart can hold the price and send it back or not. Peter, I mean, bro, thank you, bro. You know that. I know that, brother. I'll be humble if you accept me. Peter, it's all will depend on the screenshot you will give me. Okay, if you take the entry outside of the session, I'm not gonna pick you. That's for sure. Your session is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York local time, 7 a.m. kill zone. That means you can take an entry from 6:30 to 7:30. That's your kill zone. Then after 9:30, or if there is a news, then you are allowed to take entry after 8:30. If there is no news, then you are not allowed to take any entry before 9:30. After 9:30 to 12, and finally 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. that's the kill zone or the session. You have to look for the setup or entry, and you have to send me the screenshot. I need that. Okay, I've sent you some, not financial advice. Rain, thank you, brother. Thank you. It's not financial advice. Thank you, man. Oh man, it's not an financial advice. Thank you, guys. There is more than 200 people, and I got huge like I know 57 likes. It's unfair. Okay, just unfair. Did I get any more subscriber? I got 18, 82. I need 18 more subscriber to touch 5,000. So touching 5,000 subscriber, I need just 18 more subscriber. If anyone is thinking that okay, let's try this guy one time, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel. Okay, you could find other last 1 minute travel cup, right? Why choose that travel cup particular? In that leg, this is the last travel cup. In that leg, maybe this is the last travel cup. Over here, every single leg, every single swing has the last travel cup. So I'm just gonna try with this last travel cup because this is the most obvious leg. I would love to see this last travel cup will hold the price, send it back toward that sell side liquid. That's my expectation, but I will see if it works or not. Okay, that's the reason. Peter Andy, okay, got it. Thanks, no problem. 907 is obvious liquidity, bro. 907. Where's 907? From 1 minute chart, brother. It's from 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's obvious liquidity. I agree with you. It can take that on. Obviously, it can that on. But as I'm bearish, as market is leaving the buy side liquidity actually, so we will see if it left that buy side liquidity or if it takes that buy side liquidity or not. As I told, I'm not interested to take buy because market left that sell side liquidity around that area from 15 minute chart. If you just go to your 15 minute chart, this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. If market could take that low, then it reverse. I would be happy to see that. But as market didn't do that, as it has taken the obvious liquidity, that's cool. All I would love to see this travel gap is holding the price or not. How can I say that this is holding the price? Because I am seeing this as a fake breakout. Until now, I am seeing this as a fake breakout. If you would love to mark this travel gap as your last travel gap from that leg, for example, you are just looking this travel gap as your last travel gap from that leg. You can go for that, but I'm okay with this last travel gap from that leg, and I'm believing that this travel gap is going to hold the price until that travel gap. I mean that last travel gap. Then we will see how price go through that one and come here to take that sell liquidity. Am I looking for sell? If I get a market structure shift over here, a very nice market structure shift toward that sell liquidity, I'll be interested to take sell. If I get a very nice market structure shift toward that sell liquidity from here, then I'll look for sell setup until that sell liquidity. Why? This is the 15-minute parabol gap. Go to your 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute parabol gap. Price came to that 15-minute parabol gap. So I'm I'm perfectly okay to look for a sell setup from there, as I have the very clean sell side liquidity over there. Overall, my bias is bullish. Overall, my bias is bullish, but I really would love to see before going higher, market will take at least that sell side liquidity. Actually, I am expecting market will come to that entry parabol gap. That's my expectation. We will see how it reacts. We are left. I mean, we are just behind 5 minutes of the news. 9:45 there is a news. Okay, so be careful. Okay, I will like again. Okay, Kitan Patel, don't like again, brother. If you give me 2 likes, then it's gonna be, what it's going to be. Bullshit. Rain is a financial advisor, so we can we can charge him some money, right? Because he is just advising us and he is a financial advisor. So we can charge some money to him until another candle will close above that fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap which is holding the price. Still now I'm thinking this is holding the price. If I see another candle has closed above that fair value gap, then I will see this is broken. Until then it's not broken. Hi brother, I'm happy. Every candle was reading same for 7 a.m. entry. My target profit was 15-minute fair value gap low. Then I seen your tweet which gave me confidence that I am reading in same way you teach. I'm also feeling confidence because some of you, I saw your tweet, you just commented to that 7 a.m. entry, and I was feeling so confident that yeah, maybe I'm on the right way because people are getting me. If you when you are getting me, I feel confident, to be honest, man. So don't no need to thank me, but I will thank you because you are getting me. You can read me now. I feel very happy when I see some of you actually read the price very nice way. That's the way you should read the price. Thank you guys for that success. Ravi, I was thinking of that equal highs as VWAP, retail like VWAP. What is VWAP? I mean V shape, something like that. So thanks for answering. Answering, no problem, Sijo. No problem, man. Again, guys, if you would love to mark this fair value gap as your last fair value gap from 1 minute chart, nothing is wrong. Look at this leg. This is the last fair value gap to that leg. From here, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, low. Okay, low. So this is everyone is a leg. This is the last fair value gap, the only fair value gap over here to that leg. Only fair value gap over here to that leg. Only fair value gap over here to that leg. This fair value gap, I have only this fair value gap from that leg. In that leg, I have 1, 2, 3 fair value gap. I have 3 fair value gaps. So this is the last fair value gap from that leg. So I was thinking market will tap to that fair value gap, then it will fall at least until that fair value gap, then it is going toward that sell side liquidity. So far I can see, yeah, it's doing well. Am I going to take any entry? No, I'm not interested to take any entry. Why? Around 9:45 I have the news. Around 10 we have the news. I don't want to take a risk my money, okay? That's why. 4985. Need 5 more people to make it 5000. And when it will be 5000, Peter is going to give away some t-shirt. So you guys are appreciated if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. From the beginning, I'm bullish, extremely bullish. But before going higher, I would love to see some kind of lower run because of this sell side liquidity. All the things I explained over there. I would love to see everyone will be taken. Then market will reverse. Until then, I would love to see some kind of lower run. Over here, this is very messy price action. You see the wick, every candle wick, how beautiful it is trading around that area. No fair value gap over here. Just look from above this fair value gap, above this fair value gap. Just look. There is no fair value gap. Nothing. Okay, nothing over here. At the morning session, I mean before the morning session, I actually traded this type of price action. I just took entry over there, I closed it over there. Then when it came here, I take buy until maybe if there was a fair value gap, maybe 5 handle or 7 handle, I take buy, I closed it. Because of the commission, the profit was not huge, $100, $150, and thus I have made that $1,500 something. And at the I mean at the starting of today's live, you saw I took a buy here. I think here, yeah, I took a buy here and I closed it over there. That was an entry. That was nice. Now near about $800 profit. I'm happy with that. Just 14 more people I need to make it 5,000. Welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the reading price action. Teamed 15 more subs. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, man. Why didn't come live during London? I was outside, disciplined man. I was outside, and when I came, it was out. I mean, out of session. That means after 5 a.m. I came home. Around that time, I didn't think that I should come to the live, so I trade by myself. Until the morning, I trade by myself, and at the AM session, I'm here in front of all of you guys. Okay. So what kind of price movement is that algos or with wicks both sides? There is two type of things you can use. First, implement fair value gap. This week's 50%, that week's 50%, this week's 50%, that week's 50%. You can use that like that way. The implement fair value gap you can create over there. Market always see the week as a fair value gap. Remember, nothing else. No order block, no breaker block, no nothing except the fair value gap. The week is always the fair value gap. Market doesn't see this. Okay, let me show you that. Mm, I don't know how to change the candle into the line chart. I don't remember. Okay, somewhere I don't remember that. Maybe over here. Symbol. I don't remember. If you go to your line chart, you will see there is no wick, only the body. The algorithm actually see the bodies only, no wicks. It doesn't see the wick. So every week's 50%. If you just mark them, not like that way. I mean, there is some rules as well. I have no idea about that. I mean, I didn't study the implement travel cap yet, but yeah, there is the way to trade that as well. I don't want to see market will go above that high. I don't want to see that. If market will go above that high, then I will be bullish for a little more. I don't want to see market will go above that high. Even I don't want to see market will touch the 50% of that week. See this 50% of that week? I don't want to see that market will touch the 50% of that week. That's also I don't want to see. If market really would love to go lower, it should not even touch the 50% of that week. If it can touch the 50%, body should not close above that 50%. That's the rule. This is how you will be confident. Sometimes you will say, no, market didn't take that buy side liquidity, so how can you take a short? I don't want to see that market has taken that high, or even it has touched that 50%. Okay, so I want to see market. If market leave like that way, I'll believe that market is going to take that sell liquidity. If market go above that high one more time, then I will believe that market will be bullish for little more. Okay, little longer it will be bullish. Why? This high has taken all the buy side liquidity already, right? This high has done the manipulation already. Obvious liquidity, everything has taken by that high. If market really would love to go lower, it doesn't need to go above that high one more time. That means if it goes above that high, the buyers will be in the market again. Why? This algorithm, I mean this buy side liquidity relatively equal highs, when market went higher, all of them got stopped out. Then what did they say? They see market went lower again. So if market can go above one more time, then they will take the sell again. Market doesn't Market should not give them that opportunity. Okay, market should not give them that opportunity to take sell again. That's why if market really would love to come here, the sellers are got stopped out already, the buyers should be stopped out now. It should not reach until that constant enforcement. That's the thinking right now for me. If market really would love to go lower. Beside time frames, what is that? Okay, see the okay. Let's go win a T-shirt. Hey Peter, what did you ask? Okay, so what kind? Okay. I put your stream link on Tanja's chat. Test and within seconds, other guy said blah 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 to Tanja, and my post already gone. Yeah, if you just post a link to anyone's comment box, that's gonna be spam. Okay, you can't do it. So you can't post the link to anyone's streams community tab. I mean, sorry, commentary tab. You can't do it. Okay, brother. Sometimes they will block you if you do that. Let's go win a t-shirt. Yeah, Peter. Let's go, brother. Let's go and win a t-shirt. So 9:45 news released already. There was no volatility. I'm waiting for 10 news now. We will see around 10 if we get any kind of volatility or not. Around 10 we have the PMI. We will see that. Okay. See the pro next to the indicator tab. What's there? Line chart. Okay. Next to the indicator tab. Okay. Here. Next to the indicator tab. That. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, brother. So this is the chart market see. Look, this is the high. Remember the week high. Market doesn't see that high. Market is seeing this is the high. See, that's a rejection block created. Market remember the rejection block. When it can tap to the rejection block, it has already taken the liquidity. Over here, look over here. This is the algorithm we what see. This is the chart which algorithm actually see. That's why we tell that body is telling us the real story. Wick is doing the damage only. I hope you will understand the fact. It's now broken. This last travel cap is now broken. I'm now little confused. Is market going there or not? And overall, this is a sloppy price action. If I come here to 15-minute chart, body and wick. Just look at the wick and the body. I'm expecting some kind of sloppiness until the PM, I mean 10 p.m. news. I'm gonna remove this last five lookup because it's broken already. Lancet is okay. Time frames and tap top. Okay, I got it. Thank you, Mr. Ed. Elmar Alvarez. Thank you, brother. Next week. Next week. Okay. What is next week? Lenny. Hey, just more or less. How are you, brother? Rain beside time frames. I got it, bro. Right there. Click beside the on there. Okay, I got it, man. I got it already. Thank you, Verinder. Are you profitable, sir? No, sir. I am. Am I profitable? I don't. I don't know. What do you mean by profitable? What does it really mean? I mean, what is the meaning of that? Some weeks I earn near about $10,000, $12,000. Some week I am minus $5,000. Sometimes I am break even. Sometimes I don't trade. If I take trade, maybe I get a small loss, sometimes very small profit. So how can I define that am I profitable or not? I don't know. Okay. If you want to be profitable, for example, if you want to earn money from here, you are able to do that. For me, the profitable is the precision. If I take an entry, for example, I took an entry over here. This is my target, and maybe that is my stop loss. I would love to see market will come here, but it won't stop me out for one tick. It will just come one tick below of my stop loss, then it will hit my target profit perfectly. Everything will work perfectly. That is called precision. If I get that precision, then I will call that's a profitable entry for me. Otherwise, I don't just see the win or losing trade. Okay, if it is a winning trade, I don't care. If it is a losing trade, I don't care. All I care is the precision. If I get the precision, I'm happy to dance. Lunch at near, I got that. Okay, Jos, you were new, yeah. Peter, yeah, maybe Jos is new over there, but let it go. Ben Cruz, but Isn't the high a shallow sweep? I don't know, just trying to understand when we should prioritize shallow sweep as strong liquidity versus talking all the highs. That's a good question, brother. Algorithm doesn't work with the weak. Algorithm only work with the bodies. Okay. Now, when there is a shallow run, market doesn't know that there is a shallow run because you see this run like over here. That's a shallow run, right? This small wick closed over there. So that's the shallow run. But what market is seeing? Market is seeing this, this body and that body. That is also the shallow run. But body shallow run. Okay, just forget about the wick. Just look at the bodies. Now it will be difficult for you to observe the price with the body because body always tell the story. If you get the shallow run by the wick, most of the time you are going to get the shallow run by the body. So market doesn't need to see the shallow run by the wick. It can easily determine the shallow run by the body. Just go back and check by yourself. Okay, you will understand what did I mean. Okay, okay, maybe starting a journal your trades to know your status will be good idea. Go for that, man. Just he's the wizard. Just stick around and learn. Okay, I'm a wizard. Really, Peter? I didn't know that. Ben Cruz, thanks. Thanks. I think I understand now. You are the best. Okay. Why you guys keep telling me that I'm best? I'm not best. Okay, I'm just learning like you guys. Okay, I'm. You are better than me. Thousand times better than me. I promise you, man. Trust me. You have to trust me. You are better than me. Only one thing you left is your psychology. If you can work with your psychology, trust me, you will earn a lot of money from this market. Like yesterday, I break my rules. I come back again with my real money. I got $2,000 loss, right? Yesterday, just $2,000. If I wouldn't come back again with my real money, my loss would be like $600, $700, something like that. Today, I got $2,200 profit. How much would be profit? How much I will be profitable now? Near about $1,400 profitable. Right now, I am just $200 profitable after mitigating yesterday's loss. That is called the psychology. If you can work with your psychology, like I'm already in profit, right? $200 profit. Why I just changed my trade? I mean account. I can keep trading over there. Why I'm here in my small account? The reason is I don't want to lose my trade. You can say I didn't take any entry to my small account today. I was in my, there is no entry as I open this execution. So this is the execution level. There's no entry to my small account, so this gonna be the first entry if I can able to take that entry. Okay, if that would be the first entry. Why I changed my account? Because I have that thinking that whatever I got from the market, I will be happy with that. I'll be happy. Okay, I thought that I'm not gonna take any entry, but that breaker block entry I predict over there, I couldn't stop myself. That is also a symbol of losing psychology. Okay, my psychology is not that much strong. As I explained, these two guys, Remigius and George, if you compare me with them, they have better or stronger psychology comparing with me because they're doing this for near about the 1.5 months, and you have no idea what they're following, what type of rules they're following. So if I get 10 people next week, you guys will understand what is that. But again, if any of you are currently trading through your real money, or if you have the plan to trade with your real money, please don't send me the screenshot. Okay, I need someone who is purely okay. Market is going higher. This is the news. Okay, don't be surprised. This is the news. Don't just think that market has broken that fair value. Don't just think because this is the news candle. It can just go up first, then it can go down. You see if it can go lower. And this is a kind of situation where I can do nothing. For example, market has left this relatively equal lows over there. As I was bullish, I don't know what to do, but this is the news candle. Don't get panic. This is the news candle. I'm gonna remove this one. This is the news candle. Okay, don't get panic. It will look prices flew away. I saw that, man. The stupid question. Please, can you explain 830 open? Before you have said it's support resistance, but today it's showing no respect. Can you please explain? Okay, I didn't tell like that way. I told that 830. This 830, okay? If it doesn't support today, then you will keep it for the next day. Like the way I extend it, see? I extend it for the next for today because I didn't get any response from yesterday. I'm expecting some kind of response from that 830 today. So yeah, and it is only valid for today or one day only. Okay, so yesterday's 830 will be valid until today. In short, okay, in short, that's the thing. Can I take an entry here? No, I can't. I'll let it go. Just let it go. Okay, I was bullish, but now I am extremely bearish. I will see if market can reach to that last parabolic up, then if it can give me any sell setup or not. If it can give me any kind of sell setup, then I will go for the sell toward that sell side liquidity. It has taken the buy side liquidity, so I don't need to mark it. I'm gonna remove it from my chart. Who is upset because he didn't take that run? Who is upset, man? All I want to see, market will tap to that last parabolic up from 15-minute chart. If I go to 15-minute chart, this is that last parabolic up from 15-minute chart. That was my target from yesterday, if you remember. This is a situation where actually it's really difficult to trade. For example, until this run, market take the buy side liquidity fall. After that run, I'm over clear that market went lower, take all the sell side liquidity, now it expand higher. In Wednesday and Thursday, market has this type of habit. Market takes some liquidity, go higher, then go lower, make some sell side liquidity, then take that, go higher. Again, this is the nature of Wednesday and Thursday, and went higher again. Again, come lower, make liquidity, take liquidity, went higher. This is the nature of Wednesday and Thursday. Now, what you can connect over here? What you can connect with this thing? Okay, vice versa. That means if it really would love to go lower, then it do this type of things. Just connect any of this. How can you connect this one with this one or that one? Which one is easier to connect? Did market did this thing? That means high, it went lower, take the liquidity. All the liquidity has taken, now went higher, expand higher. Or you are going to mark this one. That means market just this leg, okay? This leg, this is that leg. Went higher, tap to that last parabolic gap, now it is going lower. Which one is easier to connect? This leg, see this leg? This is that leg. That leg. Market went lower, cleared all of this liquidity, went higher. Boom. It will go lower, make the liquidity, take the liquidity, boom. Make the liquidity, take the liquidity, boom. So if I connect this one, I'm just asking you guys, okay? I need your I need your opinion, or something like that. Is it going to do that, or is it going to do this? Which one is it going to do? Just let me know that. Why I'm confused? Because market left that sell side liquidity, though it's not very clean. You can see it's not very clean comparing with that buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity. I am bullish. I am extremely bullish from so long. I am expecting this one. Market will go lower, take some liquidity, take that liquidity, boom. Take some liquidity, build some liquidity, take some liquidity, boom. Which one you are thinking? Or this one? Go lower, take some buy side liquidity, take the buy side liquidity, boom. Which one you are thinking? So I'm gonna mark this one, just writing down two. Just let me know two or one, okay? And one, sorry, one. What do you think? Which one is going to happen? One or two? I'll be in 1 minute chat now. Yeah, thank you. Is it one or two? Just let me know. Is it one or two? What do you think? One or two? What it is going to do? I think it's going higher now. Okay. One or two? Bull. Okay, bull. Nice move. I'm upset high again FOMO. But watching. Yeah, okay. One. As I said yesterday, new week opening gap should repeat respect as resistance. Okay. One. I'm not sure. Okay, Peter. Lenny one. Leah on. Nicolo Bruno two. Okay. Elmer Alvarez DXI gapped down for 1 hour. Not sure for me, Peter. Okay, Peter. Elmer Casey Jeff with DXI falling. DXI I have already explained, right, guys? DXI I have already explained what DXI is going to do. I have already explained DXI. This favorable gap is going to hold, sorry, from the hourly chart. This guy is holding the price. Market is going to take that sell side liquidity. I have little sell side liquidity over there and over here until that area DXI can keep falling. Okay, so this has been taken. Now this is my next target over here. Yeah, this is my next target. So I'm believing that market is going to take that now. So as DXI has already give us some kind of lower run, it will keep going down. That's my belief. Okay, I am thinking like that way. If it keep going down, then this guy should keep going high, and we will see that. Where did it came to? The last favorable gap from 15-minute chart. The last favorable gap from 15-minute chart. Now I'm gonna move it from my chart little bit. I will wait for next liquidity level. What do I mean by that? Sorry, remove this two line. I will now wait for two type of situation. For first situation, it will make some liquidity, take the liquidity, boom, boom. Either this is going to happen, or market is coming here, making some liquidity, taking that liquidity, boom, making some liquidity, taking some liquidity, boom. I am now wait, and I will wait for this thing. Okay, first it has to make some liquidity, then I will decide is market going higher or lower. So far you can see market came here to that entry favorable gap, it came here to that last favorable gap. Price is inside this two area. You have this clean buy side. Why I am not sure? I have this clean buy side liquidity, I have this clean sell side liquidity. I have both of them. Market is inside the range. Just mark the 50% of that range. This is your sell side, this is your buy side. Where the market right now? Around the equilibrium or the 50%. Which way market will go? This favorable gap is at the middle of that two line, sell side liquidity and the buy side liquidity. Between these two lines, this is the last middle favorable gap. See exactly at the middle of that level, two level. How can I be sure which one is going to be triggered? Both of them are so clean. I mean, this sell side liquidity is also so clean. That buy side liquidity is also so clean. I have no idea what it is going to do. I have to wait for better price action now. Sometimes this type of situation can create. Now, if you would see that market has taken some liquidity, didn't make any kind of liquidity like that, then it went higher. Then I could say now market is going higher. I could say that clearly that market is going higher. When market left that like that way, very clean sell side liquidity, all of the buyers, whoever predict the market is going higher, they are already profitable. They got the the what to say, the run from the news. If you ask me what is my expectation now, I'm expecting prices going lower toward that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. Okay, I'm just thinking like this: market will come here, will make some liquidity again here, go there. This is my expectation right now, but we will see. Okay, thank you, Stephen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, brother, for reminding them. Price may not take external liquidity as it will create the range for NFP, so I am expecting Nasdaq to bounce around 18400 and 18200. So you are thinking 200 handle range? Oh man, it's a huge range. I mean, 200 handle range is huge. 917 to 920 candles are breaker C. There is no breaker, brother. There was a breaker. Now there is no breaker. If it wants to go upside, why did it left that sell side liquidity? Absolutely, that's my question. If it really would love to go higher, then why it left that sell side liquidity over there? Is that for NFP? I don't think so. Because at the end of this week, market should expand higher. At the end of this week, market should expand higher. So it should not left the sell side liquidity. It should take the sell side liquidity before going higher. But it didn't do that. That's make me suspicious. Why it is going to do that? I was in but exited early. I wasn't aware of news. Never do that, Campbell. Otherwise, you will hurt yourself, brother. That's for sure. 4987. I need 13 more people to make it 5000. I need to drink some water. I'm coming back, guys. Still, market will consolidate for near about until 12. It's gonna consolidate or choppy market. I'm just thinking like that way. It's gonna be choppy until 12. So we will see. But yeah, that's my expectation for now. As I explained, market can go higher as well. If I see the opportunity that market is going higher, I will be interested to take buy. Right now, my expectation is market is coming lower. I mean, it will make some liquidity around anywhere. It will take that liquidity, then it will fall. That's my expectation for now. But if it started to go higher, I'll be interested to take buy. But for that, I first it has to build some liquidity, sell side liquidity. It has to take that sell side liquidity before going higher. Without taking the sell side liquidity, I'm not interested to take buy. Without taking the buy side liquidity, I'm not interested to take sell. Simple. This is the rules for applicable for only Wednesday and Thursday, because this is the expansion. Then always before the expansion, market will make the liquidity, take the liquidity, then it will give you the expansion. Like this retracement, no, it's not like that. Has to make some liquidity. Here I just gave you the bearish example. If you think vice versa, you will understand what could be the bullish example. It will make some sell side liquidity, it will take that sell side liquidity, then boom. If it keep going higher by a retracement, I'll let it go, whatever wherever it wants to go. I'll just let it go. I'm not interested to take participate in this run, not at all, because I need that consolidation. For example, here market has made the liquidity, take that liquidity, boom. Again, market has to make the liquidity, take the liquidity, boom. I mean, it will go higher, something like that. It has to do that. If fail to do that, I'm not interested to do that. I mean, take entry. Let's check this guy. Okay, this guy didn't make the sell side liquidity over here. Why Nasdaq then? See, that is that low. Let me show you. This is that low. Okay, there is the low. Here is the low. This low and this low. They are not relatively equal lows, but over here it didn't take the liquidity and it just made the liquidity. Over here it didn't even made the liquidity. So I didn't get the SMT. Even I didn't get the liquidity taken. Nothing. So I just left that sell side liquid like that way. I will wait for that. Nice moves now. We actually don't need to predict exact price action. I mean, a small 20 points scalp. I was hoping. We will see, brother. If it can make a fair value gap over here from 15-minute chart, for example, it made a fair value gap from 15-minute chart over here. If it really would love to go higher, if you think that market is going higher, you will frame your trade when market will come back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then you will frame your buy trade. If you are looking for a buy, if you are looking for a sell, then market has to go low. Then it has to make a bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart, like the bullish fair value gap market has made. When it left that entry fair value gap, it has made this bullish fair value gap. When it left that last fair value gap and make another bearish fair value gap on 15-minute chart, the way I actually explained you yesterday, then you will look for a sell from that bearish fair value gap. So don't predict the price from the last fair value gap. First, you have to wait if it can make minute fair value gap or not. Okay, so I'm not sure yet that it will make a fair value gap or not. Have to see it. I will put that fair value gap. So when the fair value gap will create, is remind me. Okay, when the fair value gap will be created, just remind me. I will mark that on. When you see forward time frame liquidity, if you draw a line, you will take wick or body of candle. Okay, thank you, Sharps, but I don't go to 4-hour chart, brother. I'm sorry, 1 hour breaker block plus fair value gap for sell. Thank you, Irfan. Yep, I'm also thinking that market will fall. Last fair value gap from 15-minute chart is going to hold the price and market is going for that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation, but overall I'm bullish. I would love to see market will go higher. That's my expectation, but by looking at this price action, this sell side liquidity is more attractive to me. Okay, but if you ask me, I really would love to see market will go higher. So I'm in a situation where I have nothing to do except watching the price or waiting for better price action. So I need some more price action first, then I will decide, am I looking for buy or am I looking for sell. I have already explained what type of price action I'm looking for. Either it has to make some sell side liquidity, take that sell side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom, or it has to make some buy side liquidity, it will take that buy side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Any of this type of situation I have to see, and that has to create from this area, from this last fair value gap area or around the last fair value gap area. Okay, I mean maybe little below that last fair value gap for sell, maybe little above of the last fair value gap for buy or sell. Okay, that means around this last fair value gap, any of these things have to be happen, then I'll be interested. Otherwise I'll just be watching. I'll be watching. Okay, made 818. I'm down for today. Thank you, Muhammad Omar. Congratulations, brother. So guys, I'm coming back after drinking some water. At the same time, please make it 5,000. If you make it 5,000, I'll be very happy to congratulate you guys. Thank you. I'm just coming back. No audio. He was on a small break. I was on a small break. Thank you. Looks like has back now. Yeah, I got back. This is that 8:30 from yesterday. I would first expect that it will use as a resistance. This is my experimental. I'm not over sure about that. But first I will look that it will work as a resistance. Then if it is broken from 50 minute chart, then I will use that as a support. I'm not gonna frame any trade from there, but I will just observe that. Came to that consequent encroachment, has taken that sell side liquidity. Now if it can go toward that buy side liquidity, I will see that. Am I looking for buy? No, I'm not looking for buy. For buying, it has to make some sell side liquidity first. It has to take that sell side liquidity, give me market structure sheet, then I'll be interested to take buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take buy. Am I willing to take sell? No, I'm not willing to take sell as well. 100 likes. That no 99 likes, not 100. I need one more like for making it 100. Okay. So from 15-minute chart, this 830 is still using as a resistance. Till now it's using as a resistance, but I will see if we can have any opportunity to take sell or buy. For buying there is no opportunity. First it has to make sell liquidity, take the sell liquidity, market structure shift, then I'll be interested to take buy. Again, if any of you are thinking to take buy or sell, you are welcome to do that. Okay, you are absolutely welcome to do that. Maybe some of you are thinking that market is going higher, to take that, maybe that buy sell liquid, or maybe until that new week opening gap. Whatever you are thinking, if you are thinking like that way, please go for that. Hi bro, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Thanks for asking, brother. Just connected. What bias for today? 50-50, man. My bias is bullish, but right now the price action is telling me market should take that sell side liquidity. Again, this is Wednesday, so market will go higher. It will take some liquidity, then can go higher again because of the narrative. So I am in kind of situation where I have no bias right now. I have this buy side, clean buy side liquidity. I have this clean sell side liquidity. Market is at the equilibrium. That means in 50%. Which way market will go first? I have no idea. So far it's look like market is going for that buy side liquidity, but I'm not interested until price makes some sell side liquidity. Take that sell side liquidity, give me the higher market strategy. Until then, I'm not interested to take buy. Sir, 465 also 50-minute fair value gap. If we switch 465, 465 is the new week opening gap. I mean the strongest fair value gap over there. This 15-minute fair value gap I don't need. I don't need it. I have this new week opening gap. I don't need anything else. Just look at this price action from 15-minute chart. This is just bull candle. If you just think, simply just think, if you are framing your buy setup from there, is it logical? Do you think this is logical? I don't think so. What do you think about unicorn at 15 minute? There is a breaker block. Where is the breaker block? Breaker block. Are you thinking about this breaker block? Yep, it is. It is valid. Is valid. If you are thinking this one as your breaker block, it's valid, brother. Absolutely valid. But I'm not. I have no bias. Okay, so far I'm just thinking market will go low for that sell liquid. I'm just watching that 830 from yesterday because I didn't get any reaction yesterday, so I'm expecting some kind of reaction from 830. So I will look for a sell setup from that 830 reaction. So if I come here in 1 minute chart, if I get any market structure shift, perfect market structure shift from 830, I will try to take that on. Again, this is my expectation. Please don't go for that. If anyone is thinking about something else, go for that. Okay. 18322, 18322, 18322. Where is it? Oh, here. This is not breaker. From 15-minute chart, if you are thinking here or here, where is your 18322? Are you thinking this one? There is no breaker block. Around this area, there is no breaker block. Yep, there is no breaker block. No, sorry, I'm sorry. There is a breaker block. Sorry, I'm sorry. There is a breaker block. Low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So this is the breaker block. I'm sorry, Elena. Yeah, brother. This is the break. If you ask me, only this one is the breaker block for me. except this one is breaker block for me. Okay, so for dollar index is respecting the constant encroachment. I would love to see if it can go toward that buy side liquidity or not. So market has taken the sell side liquidity, the extreme one. Then it has taken this low as well. Everything has been taken already. If this constant encroachment can hold the price, send it back toward that buy side liquidity, I'll get the lower run for Nasdaq. That's my expectation right now. Okay, thanks for clarifying. Thank you. Check the pendant pattern one my clean. What is that, Ahmed Mustafa? Pendant pattern, what is that? There is also 1 hour fair value gap. If you change the time frame. Where is the 1 hour time frame? Okay, so here is the 1 hour time frame as well. Entry fair value gap I have over there, and over here I have the last fair value gap. Okay, that's cool. I can remove it. That fair value gap was actually from hourly 4 hour chart. If you remember, the 50% of that 4 hour fair value gap, that fair value gap was aligned with 4 hour fair value gap. This fair value gap. Okay, the reason was it was messy from 15-minute chart. I came to hourly chart. There was a lot of fair value gap. I didn't know from where it can reverse. That's why I went to 4 hour fair value gaps. Over here, I can mark the hourly last fair value gap around that area and the entry fair value gap around this area. Thank you, Leah. This is the entry fair value gap over here in 1 minute chart. Yeah, we will see how it reacts. Last fair value gap. Overall, I'm just thinking about this 8:30, okay, from yesterday. 8:30. Am I going to get any kind of reaction from there or not? Again, after getting the first market structure shift, I'm not interested to take sell. Why? The reason is it can be the bull setup. Remember how I explained the bull setup? Market will make some sell side liquidity, it will take the liquidity, then it will go higher. Boom. So if I get a market structure shift for the first time, I'm not sure I'm gonna take that on or not. That can be a liquidity taken for the buy side. This is only valid for Wednesday and Thursday. Remember, this is only valid for Wednesday and Thursday, not any other day. Even if I get another market structure sheet for the first time, I'm not interested to take sell from there. I will wait for 15-minute chart to make another 15-minute fair value gap here. Then I will look for setup. So far you can see this is the 8:30, the reaction from 8:30. Okay, yeah, there is the entry fair value gap from hourly chart. I agree with you, but I'm just watching the 8:30. Okay, this is my experimental thing, so I'm just watching the 8:30. Is it reacting or not? That's all I'm just thinking right now. Rain, you just retraced something. Elena, you also retraced something to new week opening gap. Okay, again you retraced. Big mode. I'm strongly expecting Tuesday to be low of the week. I believe rejection block is also liquidity. So yesterday's sell side has been taken to the 4 hour rejection block. Thanks, bro. No problem. Big mode. I'm also bullish, brother. To be honest, I'm also bullish, but I have to be sure that market really would love to go higher. For that, look over here. What market has done? It has taken some liquidity, right? Over that, the liquidity has taken little liquidity has taken over here. I'm just expecting this type of things. If market can do that, take some liquidity, then give me a market structure shift toward the upper side. Then I'll be interested to take buy from here as well, because here I will get some kind of fair value gap from 15-minute chart, and that will be the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Last fair value gap, entry fair value gap. Okay, so I'm gonna be patient for the setup, and yeah, I'm not just going to push my button after seeing any kind of displacement. For example, you can say, is that displacement valid? Yeah, it's valid. There is a fair value gap. Are you looking for a sell when market will tap to that fair value gap? Look over here. This low has been shifted over here. There is a fair value gap. If market can tap over there, then it is going to fall. Are you thinking like that way? No, I'm not thinking like that way. It can be the liquidity taken, or it can be the market structure shift toward the lower portion. I'm not sure which is actually happening over here. I will just let it a try. What it is going to do has to make that sure first. Then I'll be interested. Nahid, are you saying you are watching the 8:30 open price from yesterday AM session? Is it still valid for the next day? Yeah, big mode. I was just telling that, and I'm just experimenting this model. Okay, I'm not sure that it's valid or not. As I explained, if I don't get any reaction from 8:30, the day it is going to create, then the very next day I will expect some kind of reaction from that 8:30, either resistance or the support. I will get that from that. So I will see. Okay. For sometimes I'm gonna remove this hourly entry fair value gap, but I will keep in mind that there is hourly fair value gap. Maybe someone is looking for a sell setup. Maybe they can take their sell from there. I'm not interested. That's all I'm telling, because I have to be sure first that market is really would love to fall. Then I'll be interested. Okay, this guy has broken that constant encroachment and it is falling now. If it is falling, it should, this guy should go higher. What can I do, man? Now I'm seeing all of these things is the liquidity taken. So liquidity has been taken over here. If I get a higher market structure shift, I'll be interested to take buy. But it's very difficult price action now. So I think in S&P was a good setup, but I know we don't trade news, but it looks like S&P. If it is before news, then I'm not interested. Market has taken the liquidity over here, here. Where is your exactly? Where was your setup? Are you thinking about here, taking entry over there? Where exactly was your setup, man? Loving again. Mhm. Ah man, small account. I'm gonna hit my stop loss. I guess so. Why it is going outside of that fair value gap? Could not go outside of that fair value gap. I have that 830 bounce level. I have only the resistance over here from the hourly chart. That is the fair value gap high from the hourly chart. Should come here above that high. Not good. Should expand higher with speed now. If anyone would love to take the entry, that will be your analysis and it is gonna be your responsibility. Okay, if you take a loss, that will be your loss. If you take a profit, that will be your profit. I'm not going to be responsible for your profit or loss. That's all, brother. It's high distance liquidity run for higher price now. I think needs some retracement. It can, brother. It can do that. Mm, obviously, it can do that. But as you see, dollar index has broken. It's going toward that sell side liquidity. So when dollar is going lower, I am not saying this is the high resistance liquidity run. This should be low resistance liquidity run. That means market should go higher smoothly because the dollar is falling. It should expand higher smoothly, but it's not doing that. Maybe I'm going to be stopped out. At the same time, we are around the macro time. I will make my stop loss little more bigger because of the macro. I'm gonna put it below this low because of the macro. 13 handle, no problem. Loving you is a thing. I want to see a body close above that line. Then it will be eligible for the order block. If market fail to close above that high, that's gonna be little difficult for me to trade. Now we are at the inside the macro. 5 minute is bar coding consolidate. There is bearish S&P with E-mini S&P. Okay, how many information do you have to give me? Give me all, okay? Because I too can say, I mean buy, and you are giving me some bad news. Man, keep giving me the bad news. Why? I'm in tension. So why you are giving me more tension, man? Tell something good for me, okay, brother. It's going to work. Okay, you are not going to be stopped out. So tell me something like that. Why you are giving me some bad news? Keep giving me the bad news, man. And higher, or just break that line. This is the hourly fair value gap high. Just break that line. Don't make me wrong today, man. With my small account, I'm struggling with this account. You know that. Don't make me wrong. To the moon. Thank you, Jack T. Yeah, to the moon. Peter Henry. Boom. Thank you, man. Yeah, tell me something like that so that I can feel confident, okay? I want to take huge loss. Nobody wants to take that, but I know every entry I took, it's a losing trade. So I'll be okay with that. I will keep seeing this and I will try to take this. Just need a candle close above that line. See this line? Then this will be valid as a order block. It's consolidating. It's because of macro. We are around the macro, so that's why it's consolidating. Around 11 a.m. you will see the expansion either way. Neon Tilol, you are funny, man. Why I'm funny, brother? Oh man, just need a candle close above that line. Now, if you just keep pushing me that it's gonna be a losing trade, I'm gonna close my trade. Okay, that's for sure. There's nothing which is going to stop me. Price respect on our parallel gap constant encroachment tick by tick. Okay, let me see. Leah is the another one who is telling me I'm gonna take a loss. I'm gonna take a loss. What is price doing? Price is just waiting for 11. Price is just waiting for 11. Don't make me afraid, man. Pump it for you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Just pump it for me. Just tell him to come here. Go there, man. What are you waiting for? I know you are going higher. So why you are making me so crazy, man? I know you are going higher. So just go over there. Don't listen to my viewers. They are my enemy, okay? When I take that buy, they're just telling that it's not going to work. So just keep going higher, man. Loving you is a losing game. Ah, close above that line. Close above that line. Go, 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 go. Chacha, chacha, go, 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 go. I'm just kidding, brother. This is the order block. Opening and the high. Both of the level is my order block now. You will see the expansion within 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So within 4 candle, you will get the expansion. If it give me the expansion before 4 candle, it's okay. But I would love to see it very soon. Just close it above that line. Now these guys are actually, I'm talking to market, okay? These guys are waiting for my experience, okay? I told them that if you take the sell side liquidity in expansion day, that means the Wednesday, you should go higher. I told them that, okay? So don't make me wrong in front of all of these guys, please. That's my request. Just keep going higher, okay? And don't make me wrong in front of all of these guys. That's my request. That's my request, okay? Just go, just go, just go. Team Via, boom. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys, for writing down the boom. Just hang your finger. Da, da, da. I don't want to see another candle close below that line. If it close below that line, it's gonna be very difficult for me to trade. Hold that. Okay, it's not going to make any fair look up there. Hold with that. This is the fake breakout. Okay, I didn't like that fake breakout. So if I get stopped out to the break even, I'll be happy because I took a partial over there. Even if I get stopped out, I'll be okay. Thank you. Can you explain why you decided to take entry there? Because lower there is no fair value gap. I'm telling you that from the beginning. There is the 830. See this 830? I told that from the beginning. Look at this 830. First I was expecting as a bear, then I'm expecting as a bull. And as I told, I'm just experimenting thing. Okay, I'm not over sure. I'm just experimenting this 830. Okay, that was the reason for taking that entry. Just depending on that 830 from higher time frame, and from lower time frame I saw market has taken the liquidity first, then gave me the market structure shift. There was the fair value gap over here. This is the fair value gap. Price came to that fair value gap. Never break this fair value gap. This is the fake breakout. Market went higher. This is the order block. You look this consecutive order block. Both of them are applicable. Okay, so this is also applicable here. This is your consecutive order block. Why you can go with this consecutive order block? But because this candle closed above that candle, see, so these two candle is consecutive order block, so market doesn't need to come here. It can come tap to that high of that that order block. That was the reason, Leah. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, team. Thank you, KCJ. I'm gonna put my stop loss little higher over here, so I just make sure some more profit. Okay, if I get stopped out, I'll be okay. Yeah, is it clear, Leah? Let me know. Lenikoski, thank you, man, for writing down. Boom. Let's see if I have some subscriber or not. I got some 4992. I just need 8 more people to be 5000. Just 8 more people. This thing I explained from the beginning, except one thing. Okay, I'm not sure. Let me check it. Yeah, except the 15-minute fair value gap, I used that 830. Okay, but this is for experimental thing. As I told, I'm not over sure about that, but I'm just doing that. Okay, but except that one, everything was in line. Market take some liquidity first, give me market structure sheet, fair value gap, immediate reaction, market went higher. Everything else was right. I put my stop loss below that low. The reason was the macro time. I didn't see that I took my entry before macro. That's why I moved my stop loss below that low, because sometimes macro can take the liquidity first, then it can expand. That's why. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss over here now. If I get stopped out, I'll be okay with that. Yes, thank you, Leah. Where are you from, Leah? It's going to boom dramatically. Thank you, Casey Jeff. I need that support from you guys. Okay, you when I take an entry, you guys start to tell Now it is going lower. There is SMT with mini S&P. Now it is going to fall. Man, I'm a human being, okay? When I take an entry in, I don't care about my loss or win. I really don't care about that. But I care about being right or being wrong in front of all of you guys. So if I take an entry where I told that this is my small account and I'm just going to take one entry, just one entry. If it is a profitable entry, I'm good. If it is a losing trade, I'm good as well. And then when I take an entry and you keep saying, brother, it's not going to work. How do I feel, man? Just feel it. From Russia, but I live in Dubai. Okay, cool. So keep inspiring me, man. Keep inspiring me. This candle should work as a order block as well. So I would love to see this order block should hold the price, send it to that fair value. I would love to see that. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I'm expecting that it is going to happen, but if it doesn't work, no problem. I covered this order block only. The mean threshold, absolutely the mean threshold actually. If it works like that way, I'll be happy. If it doesn't, I'll be stopped out. If it can touch that line, I'm gonna remove this one and I'm gonna mark it. Okay, this is the order block. Perfect. Tap. It should expand higher now. Something like boom. If it doesn't go there, instead of that, come back and stop me out. I hope that guys you won't mind. Sir, I want you to win, but after this huge run, your ideas was valid and superb scalp. Thank you. Yeah, this is the rules on this rules is working only for Wednesday and Thursday. Just for Wednesday and Thursday. Again and again. Whatever I explained here, it will work only for Wednesday and Thursday. If there was no 8:30 or something or no 15-minute travel gap, I wouldn't take that entry. As I saw this 8:30 and as I explained, this is my experimental thing. I'm not sure it is working or not. See, this is that 8:30 from yesterday. It didn't react yesterday. Even market never come here. So first when price come here, I was expecting it will react as a resistance. Now when I didn't get any sell setup and market went above that 8:30, I go for that buy setup by using that 8:30. So this 8:30 I used as a 50-minute travel gap. Okay, so that's all. This order block should hold the price, send it back toward that last travel gap from hourly chart. Okay, but if it doesn't stop me out, I'll be still profitable. This is the min threshold of that order block. I don't want to see any body close below that line. If market would love to go higher, it should not close below that line. Again, this order block is the weakest order block. The strongest order block is over here. This one is the strongest order block. Video is a losing game. Well guys, I'm done with this consolidation, so I'm gonna put my stop loss over there because I don't like this consolidation. I need some kind of speed move. Okay, it should not do this. It should expand higher dramatically. Now when it is just doing this, I'm not interested to hold my trade for so long, so I'm gonna close my trade. So I tell my stop loss just below that mean threshold. If it hit me, I'm gonna get out from the market. What of 30 today? What of 8:30 today, bro? Tell us. 8:30 didn't respect yet today, okay? So I'm gonna use that tomorrow. If it never come back again to that 8:30 today, I'm gonna use that tomorrow. I'll expect that I will get the reaction from tomorrow if market go over there. If market doesn't go over there tomorrow, then that 8:30 is no more valuable. Again, guys, I'm just observing that, okay? That's not for sure. Now, don't blame me if it doesn't work, okay? I am just experimenting that. I told all of you guys, I'm just observing that. I need some kind of big run, man. Big boom, okay? Big run, something like that. Why it is doing that? Okay, I'm gonna put it below the order block. I'm not feeling comfortable, hold it there actually. Here. I'll put it over there. Either it will hit me. I can't just close my trade over here. I can't do that. All I can do is just trail my stop loss. That's all I can. Okay. What is 8:30? That is a time, brother. 8:30 is a time. It's a time machine. I get the time machine. Anyone need that? Then subscribe to my channel. Make it 5000. Just need 7 more people. Either hit me or hit my target or hit my stop loss. Do anything, whatever you want to do. But do it fast. Four nine nine four. 6 more people. Nice trade. Thank you, Glenn Blaine. How are you, brother? 4993. Guys, I told you to subscribe. What are you doing, man? Why you are unsubscribing? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I guess it will hit me. Then I'm gonna close. Thank you. It was a good trade so far. I believe so. Thank you guys for that boom. Thank you for that boom, brother. I know it's going to hit over here, but I don't like to hold it right now because of this consolidation. I don't like it. Okay, see this to run. It should go higher and take that liquidity. I mean, tap over there. It didn't do that. So what it can do? It can go little lower maybe. Then it can go over there, or maybe now it will go higher after stopping me out. But yeah, I'm okay with that because I just got whatever I needed. I am not interested to hold my trade for some more time to take the pressure. Whatever pressure I took here, I don't want to take the same pressure over here again. Someone literally unsubscribed to see that 4994. What is 4994? Oh, okay. So that's subscriber. Yeah, it's 4995 now. Okay, I need 5 more. Giveaway after 5k subscribers. I heard about t-shirt. Lol. Yeah, Viras. Peter is actually going to give that. Peter is here. Oh, okay, he's there. Thank you, Sebastian and Peter, for writing down boom, brother. But it's going to hit over here, so the real boom will come here when market will tap over there. Okay, I don't see this as my success. I would see that as my success if it could tap over there by that run. Look at this run. If it could go over there by that run, then I would call that my success. Right now I'm seeing this as my failure, to be honest, man, because I love the precision. I don't like this bullshit price action, but it is expected. I mean, from the NFP week, it is expected. That's why I didn't hold my trade. I just closed it. But trust me, it's gonna hit over there. When? I don't know. It will maybe take a little more time because that run didn't tap over there. So it can take a little more time, or maybe it is gonna hit over there right now. Peter Henry, come on, 60. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thanks for your live streams. They do help a lot. Thank you, Glenn. No problem. Viras, Peter is going to give you the going to give the t-shirt for when he will be in Australia. I'll be his. Okay, there is 5,000 subscriber. Congratulate me, man. Boom. Thank you, man. Just try it out. Oh well, again 4998 4997. Then but yeah, I got that 5,000. I'm happy because I saw that 5,000. At the same time, I'm gonna hit my target over there. Very soon I'm gonna hit my target over there. Congratulations. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thanks for that boom for 5,000, man. 5k. Thank you, man. It's a it's a big day for me. Thanks to all whoever here with me to support me without any condition. Okay, for unconditional way supporting me, I am really appreciating you guys. Thanks for being with me. And here you go, my boom. This is my real boom. Okay, I wanted this run over here, just here. I wanted this run over here. It just take three more candle. I didn't like that three candle. That's why I pushed my stop loss higher. It's okay. Thank you so much, guys. I'll go controlling your sub count, brother. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, how was that? Okay, how was that entry the way I explained? Did you like it? Except the 15-minute travel gap. Okay, I used that 8:30 instead of 15-minute travel gap. The way I outlined the market, did you get it? Why I didn't push my entry over there? Why I wait until here? Today's whole day, you will wait only for this. Today's whole day. After expansion, you will wait for this. After an expansion, you will wait to build some sell side liquidity. Market will take that sell side liquidity, give you market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Until the buy side liquidity is taken, you will look for this. If market would love to shift it, then you will get the same thing. Okay, market will take the buy side liquidity, lower market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. In expansion day, the shifted market happens very rare. It's very rare. Okay, it keep going higher, it keep going higher. So you are not going to get any retracement. If you go to 15-minute chart, you can see lot of fair value gap. So you are not going to get any retracement. If you get the retracement, you will still look for the same setup. Market will take the sell side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom, until the buy side liquidity is not taken. Here is your only buy side liquidity, the only buy side liquidity over here. When it will be taken, then you have to be very careful. Is market going for that or not? Because it can left that buy side liquidity for tomorrow. Can do that. Okay, so thank you guys. Congratulations. I subscribe to people. I recommended to you. Thanks, Elena. Thanks for that, man. I mean, to be honest, if you guys don't help me, didn't help me, then I wouldn't get that. You guys keep pushing me. You guys keep pushing my channel. I believe that you guys keep recommending my channel. That's why I got that 5,000 subscriber. I'm really, really, really so grateful to Allah first, then all of you guys. Okay, I am really grateful to all of you guys, to be honest. This is from my heart. Okay, you helped me unconditionally. What? How can I mean, pay you? I have no idea. How can I repay you? Okay, thanks to all, man, for that help, bro. But this should happen in 1 hour chart. What did you say? No, not from 1 hour chart. It should happen from 1 minute chart, not from 1 hour chart. It should happen from 1 minute chart. Okay. Campbell, congrats. Thank you, brother. Lenny, wow, more subs coming. Thank you, Lenny. Yeah, it's coming. I can see. Thank you, brother. Glenn, yes, there is still higher time frame liquidity. Absolutely, Glenn. Until that liquidity is not taken, you should keep expecting this type of things. Now, if that didn't work, for example, if hit my stop loss, what I would say a perfect setup didn't work. It should have worked because my experience is telling me in Wednesday, basically market work like that way. I explained that to my channel. So if you go to my channel, from the playlist you will get a folder called narrative. Over there I have explained this all. Okay, everything I explained over there. So please check that out. It will help you, trust me, man. You will understand when you should look for the buy. But at the same time, until the higher time, what can I take a buy here now? No, I can't do that. I have to look for this type of situation again. Maybe market will fall below that low, it will come below that low here, then it will do the same thing, take the liquidity, then boom again. Over here, go to your 15-minute chart, mark the 15-minute fair value gap, last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, or any other fair value gap you will get. Just mark them. When price will be there in that 15-minute fair value gap, again guys, 8:30, I'm not for sure, I'm just observing that. Okay, so let me remove this. Sorry, no, I can't remove it, but I can do, can remove all of this. This 830 is my experimental thing. I would love to see either it will work as a resistance or as a support. So today I use that as a support. Some days I will use that as a resistance. I mean, I explained that already to my live. If you are there, you know already. But actually, you have to wait to set that setup from 15-minute travel gap. If there is no 15-minute travel gap, this entry is not valid. Okay, it's not valid at all. Look over here. Maybe market will fall. Give me a market structure shape. Am I going to take sell? No, I'm not going to take sell because so far I can see market is bullish. So the expansion is happening toward the buy side. If I get a market structure shift toward the lower side or sell side, I'm not interested to take that on. Instead of that, I will wait for another bull setup. Again, if the bull setup didn't work, that means perfect setup didn't work. If you read the price perfect way, the way I told you, if you read it like that way, then you will think that a perfect setup didn't work. That's all, okay? Nothing else. By what is MTH? MTH is the mean threshold, the 50% of the order block. Okay. 5003 congrats. Thank you, Rodrigo Silva. How are you, brother? Peter, will send my account number. Why, Peter? Why you are going to send your account number, brother? I came at 4K and saw your growth. Don't leave us. So that's a, what can I say? I have no answer. Sharma, 5K. Thank you, brother. Welcome. Okay, bro. Thank you. No problem. Love the way you trade, bro. I know some guys that will benefit from watching you for sure. Let's get the subscribes up. Thanks, RFX. Thanks, man. Zimmer, I hope boom to 10K, bro. That's a big expectation, man. It's a very big expectation. You got the subs because of your dedication and hard work, and of course, all of the booms you teach us how to trade. Lol. Thanks for that compliment, team. But I will say it's only because of you guys. You guys keep supporting me. Okay, some days a really bad day. In that type of day, you keep supporting me. If someone tell me something negative, you guys protest him, and that is why I'm here. Otherwise, maybe I would. I mean, maybe I'm not sure, but maybe I would quit streaming. Maybe you asked how to repay us. Oh, okay. So you are going to send me the account number. Peter, better come to my home, okay? As I told you, just visit Bangladesh, come to my home, stay here some days, and then you can take your whatever you want, you can take, and then you can go back to Australia. I'm serious, okay, Peter? If you really would love to visit over here in Bangladesh, to be honest, it's a very beautiful country. 5K done, congrats, bro. Thank you, Fazlul. Thank you, man. Thanks for that boom. Again, I have no idea to take any entry right now. I need to see this type of situation again. Market has to take some liquidity first. After taking the liquidity, I need the market structure shift. After that, I'll look for the fair value gap. Immediate reaction, I will go for another set. Otherwise, am I interested to take sell? No, I'm not interested. If I would love to take a sell, I need two things. First, it has to take, like for example, it went lower, below that low. Give me the lower market structure shift. Then tap to that fair value gap, boom, it went lower. Now I'm not gonna take that entry. I will be in 15-minute chart or maybe from hourly chart. I will wait for a 15-minute or hourly fair value gap happening over there. Then market went lower, go back to 15-minute or hourly fair value gap. Then if it give me another lower setup, I'll be interested to take sell. Otherwise, I'm only interested to take buy only. Okay, is it clear, guys? I know my accent is really difficult to understand, but what can I do, brother? I'm just trying to learn this. Okay, there is my Twitter link on the comment box. If anyone is interested to join me through my Twitter, you are welcome. Trust me, man, you won't regret if you connect me with my Twitter through my Twitter. Okay, you asked, okay. Okay, dokie, no problem, Peter. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, Peter, don't forget my 3XL t-shirt. Peter, Answer the big goosey, okay? I'm traveling with my family now, but I will come visit you. No problem, brother. You can come with your family over here, okay? I have a very big house, trust me. I've built a very, very, very big house, okay? It's a very big house. And I am staying with my mother, so me and my mother only. So there, I believe that there will be no problem except the food because you guys don't like you know, the Asian food. That will be the only problem. Otherwise, there will be no problem. What's your name? Jimmy. My name is Titu. Mercado. Mercado means shop. Jimmy, are you from Portugal, brother? My name is Titu, brother. Thanks for the invite. No problem. I'll visit you next time, bro. No problem. Load shedding is also a reason to quit streaming. Yeah, that was very bad day. Okay, load shedding sometimes it's a very bad day. Then he goes after the visit, Peter Handy, you will be wizard, bro. Lenny, what are you talking about? He's already the wizard. Congratulations, brother, for the 5K subscribers. Let's keep this coming, folks. Thank you, Ryan, for that wish. Yeah, I'm really happy because I'm the witness of my 5,000 subscriber, and yeah, that was unexpected for me. But thanks to all whoever subscribed to my channel. Just keep coming, okay? Keep coming. Don't just subscribe and then you know just keep coming, okay? Only in medium size, bro. Bigusi, he has made only the medium size. Bigusi. Congratulations, brother T2. You deserve all the subs you have gotten. The amount of value you provide to us is unmatched compared to other channels. That's a big compliment, Shahid. Thanks for that compliment, brother. Justus, by the way, congrats for the 5K subscriber. Thank you, Justus. I mean, thanks, man, for the greetings. Thanks to all for that greetings. Excel only, Peter. Okay, double Excel, no double Excel, only Excel. Ahmed Mustafa. Bigusi. Okay, safe travels, Peter. Ali lol. Lots of love, Ali. Thanks for that. Lots of love, man. Okay, if you win, I will make Excel. Okay, no, I'm in Chicago, but from Nica. What is that? Nicaragua. Is it from Africa, brother? Nicaragua. Mercado means actually the shop in Portugal. That's why I thought you were from Portugal, brother. You are new, brother, because I didn't see your name before. I'm the noob. Okay, okay, Peter. Thank Mr. Big. I just dimmed you. Okay, Viras, I will take a look, brother. No problem. Hey, Ravi, how are you, brother? Great community. Yeah, guys, I want you guys to help each other. Okay. Until now, I'm just keep replying the comments, but the guys with me for so long now, you should give some reply to some new people. When some new people come and they ask some question, try to give them some answer because it's gonna be very difficult for me to read all of your question. If I keep reading your question, I can't concentrate on the price action, so it's gonna be difficult for me. That's why. So for in my big account, you can see this is the last amount before starting the amount. I mean, before starting the streaming. First, I stopped 1100, then I stopped 1475. Around the starting of the today's stream, I took a buy depending here. You can say that is the turtle soup or whatever you say, and by that setup, I got $2,200 to my big account, and this is my small account. I got a small profit from here. I guess near about. Let me check actually. I guess near about $600 to $700. Near about $600 to $700 I got from to my small account. I don't want to touch any of those accounts. Not today, not tomorrow, until Friday. I'm not interested to touch my account because of NFT. No entry is valid from today's PM session until NFP in Friday. Until NFP in Friday, no entry is valid. I don't care how beautiful the setup is, how beautiful everything is. This is the rules. If you don't follow the rules, uh, I don't think so. You have any job here to do, okay? In my channel or with me, you have any job to do. If you don't follow the rules I gave you or I tell you, don't follow me. Whatever I do, don't follow me. Follow the rules I talked about because you are learning. I'm talking to them only who are here only to learn. Some of you are really wizard. they know everything about this price action. I'm not talking to them. I'm just only talking to them who are here, who would love to learn the price action. So this price action is not only the important thing, you have to follow the rules. For example, you can't take entry around the lunch hour. No entry is valid before 9:30. After 3:45, you can't hold your trade. You can't take your trade, sorry. After 3:49, the 3:49 p.m. is the last candle. If you have any open trade, you have to close that, because at 3:50, sometimes the volatility is huge. Okay, you will take a huge loss around that area. The way I explained the price action for today and tomorrow, okay, for Wednesday and Thursday, the way I explained, this is the narrative. You will get the video to my channel, which is inside the narrative folder. If you watch that, you will be able to take this same entry. There is nothing wrong to take that entry, okay. I have used only exceptional things, that is 8:30, okay. I'm doing that experimental things. I'm not sure yet. When I'll be sure about 8:30, I will make a video and I will talk about this 8:30 in my life. But so far you can see I can give you some example, okay. This day market didn't respect that new, I mean 8:30. So very next day it worked. This 8:30 respect perfectly. It will be valid for next day only, okay. Over here, this day it respected the same day. 8:30 opened, it respected the same day, so I'm not gonna use that on for the next day. If it respected the same day, I'm not going to use that 8:30 for the next day. Over here, this is the 8:30 open, and this is the respect. You can say this is the respect, or after the PM session I don't count actually, okay. So I will be happy to see the reaction before the PM session. I'm not gonna count that as a respect. So very next day you will see how beautifully it respected. This 8:30 respected. It's not valid very next day, okay. Over here it got respected the same day. The same day 8:30 opened, it respected the same day, so I'm not gonna use that on for the next day. This one, it didn't respect the same day. It came to the next day. This is the next day, I guess, Tuesday, yeah, Monday. So this is the next day. You will see how beautifully it respected. You will get at least one setup to the next, very next day. It has been respected the same day. I'm not gonna use that for the next day. This one was violated, that means didn't respect it, it was violated, so I'm gonna use that on for the next day. But next day price never come until that 8:30, so I'm not gonna use that on for the very next day or any other day. It's done already, okay. It's invalid. Here, same day it respected, the very same day it was violated over there. So I would love to use that on for the next day, but next day price never come until that 8:30 open. Over here it is violated the same day. Look, the violation, how violated it is. So I'm gonna use that for the very next day. Just extend it for the next day and you will see the respect over there, okay. This day it opened, didn't work, same day you will expand it for the next day. You will see the reaction from that 8:30 very next day. This is how, okay, this is the basic actually. And there's something else I'm also looking for that. That's why it's taking a little longer to go with every rules how to use the 8:30, and that is why I'm using this 8:30. And there is another indicator which I will use, which is called the midnight open. So for midnight open and 8:30, I'm gonna do I need to finish this first, then I will go for explaining the 8:30 and new day opening gap, okay. But it will take a little more time as I'm spending most of my time in live. For example, over here I was not able to take that buy, but I took that buy depending on, because I had to take one buy, okay. So as there was no 15-minute fair gap, this entry is not valid. I did the experimental thing which I actually do through my paper trade. I took that entry with my real money. I had no other choice because I'm here with you guys for longer term. So that is the thing, okay. Ryan Price, reminder folks, please be respectful with the comments here. Thank you. Okay, I guess something is bad. Paper trading account, Ravi. I don't trade paper trade, brother. Ravi, this for your kind information, brother. It's been a long. I don't trade my paper account. Okay, I am trading through my real money, not paper money. Now when I take the screenshot from my phone, I am unable to show that express word because it will then show you the whole account number. When I take the screenshot from my laptop, I am able to mark that express. So okay, sometimes you will see this type of screenshot, sometimes you will see this type of screenshot. This is actually when I took that screenshot to my phone, there was a line over there. Okay, so yeah, this is my real money. So I have two accounts, one is 150k, another one is 50k. So I don't trade in paper money. If I'm done with my real money, I ask my viewers first, brother, can I switch my account to paper money because I'm done with my real money. I don't want to put my real money into the risk. So if you let me know, do that, I will do that. If they told me, then I actually change to paper money sometimes. Okay, but most of the time you will see the real money. I hope you'll understand. Love to see updates from brother. You can follow his Twitter. Yeah, that is my Twitter link. Thank you, Ryan, for sharing the Twitter link, and also thank you for sharing the membership. If anyone is interested to take the membership, you are welcome, brother. Can you make a video on prop firm like payout and drawdown and other minute things? Pankaj Singh, you will find that in YouTube. Okay, there is 1,000 videos over there in YouTube. I don't need to make that. I'm a very busy guy, trust me, man. I'm a very busy guy. I rarely manage time to trade, making video, doing live, everything. I rarely manage my time. You know, I'm here in front of all of you guys. I have a lot of job to do, which I just postponed because of this live. And actually, this is the Ramadan. That's why I'm absolutely free. I can postpone that work, but I can't make that type of video. Okay, you will get that to the YouTube, man. There's 1,000 video about that. Respect T2 or Ryan, or okay, respect T2 or Ryan will block the shit out of you. What happened? Is there anything wrong, brother? Yo, I sent you a setup London session, but it was a loss. I don't care about your loss. I don't care about your profit. I just need the screenshot, and it has to be beforehand. For example, when I took that entry, either it you will take that entry through that long tool, or you will take the paper trade entry. Okay, you have to do something like that. You have to mark everything why you take that entry, so that when I will see that, I will understand why you took that entry. Market has taken the liquidity, you have to mark the market structure sheet, fair value gap, everything you have to mark. Then before this whole run, you have to send me the setup. It's kind of the signal. Okay, for example, you are giving me the signal, something like that. Because guys, I'm getting near about 50 people is sending me the screenshot. Okay, near about 40 to 50 people. I'm unable to read your comment. I am unable to see all of your setup. So I just need the setup screenshot. It worked or it failed. I don't care about that. I just need to. Amma, কিসের শব্দ হলো? Oh, sorry guys. There was a sound. I thought something bad happened. Okay. So yeah, I just need that screenshot. Okay, nothing else. Price at new week opening gap. No, it's not in new week opening gap. New week opening gap is over here. It's in the last fair lookup from hourly chart right now. Which fund trading platform do you recommend? Crypto. I should not recommend anything, but I am trading through Top Step. Okay, there is some of my viewers or my friends, they are trading through Apex. Now, in my opinion, Top Step is easier to trade. Okay, it's easier. It's 1,000 times easier to trade because there is no trailing stop loss. Yeah, there is a trailing stop loss, but end of the day, not running as a trailing stop loss. Okay, so it's easier comparing with Apex. So if you ask me, I would say that Top Step is better option. I'm not affiliated with Top Step. I'm not telling that to go over there. I'm trading through Top Step. That's why I'm telling you it's good for me. Okay. So if something bad happens, and then don't come back to me and tell me, brother, you told us. That's why I go over there. Don't say that. Okay. I don't want to take any kind of responsibility of this type of situation. Peter Henry, random. Ran, can you help us choose 3 winners for the t-shirt? Random. Rahmanj, live. What is live, brother? maybe we announce tomorrow at 9 a.m. Tito, you have funded account or evil? I have funded account, I have evil account, both of them I have. Even in evil account, I didn't what to say, I mean push the money. I mean I have done the evil account. I have a reset actually. I can get another evil account. A lot of things I have, but the problem is I'm unable to get the express account. I'm unable to withdraw the money. The reason is I'm in Bangladesh. Until I'm in Portugal, I have to depend on some other guys. So that's the problem right now. Okay, I'm unable to do anything. Right now I have just running two accounts. One is 150k, one is 50k. With with all of the respect, brother, I'm struggling with my 50k account. I guess after 300 or $400 profit, I'll be okay with the 50k account because I'll touch the 4,000. And as I mean updated you guys, I was just struggling between 2000 and 1000 profit. So I was struggling around that limit. Sometimes I get $1,000 profit, the very next day I got $1,000 loss, something like that. So after yesterday, if you remember, I took two entry, profitable entry, and today after this entry, I'm near about $4,000 profit. When I'll be more than 4,000, I'll be okay with that. That's all, brother. Okay, yes, thanks. Nice to get a t-shirt for winners when we pass 5k. Okay, brother Peter Henry, let me figure this out. Okay, guys, you can do that. I have no idea. I'm a noob about all of this social media things. Okay, there are several platforms. Please do your due diligence and trade at your own risk. Thank you, folks. Thank you, Ryan. Yeah, there is a lot of platforms. Actually, I don't know what is the best, but I'm trading through top step. That's all I can tell you. Okay, I'm just trading through top step. Before I was trading in FTMO, but yeah, I don't trade FTMO anymore. Now I have only the top step. That's all, brother. Let's give two t-shirts to members and one t-shirt to non-member. It's gonna be racism, brother. You should not do that. The members are getting more priority. It's not right. I will stay here until 12, but you can see this is the price action, very sloppy price action. No setup until now. If I see something, I will outline that by this tool. Okay, I'm not gonna push my button. This is my small account. I got some profit. I'm happy with that. I don't want to push my button anymore. So I'm just waiting for any kind of setup, or if I see anything, I will push that. I'll put that tool, okay, over there. Tito, is it possible one day or one Sunday where we go the strategy everything step by step, or where maybe support people to teach trading? I know you don't take any money, but I am excited to learn. Gabriel, are you with me in my Twitter? If you are with me in my Twitter, then you should know that I do the everything step by step in Sunday. In Sunday, I do that step by step for so long now. So yeah, brother, and please join me in my Twitter. There I give you some guidelines, okay? Every day's guidelines, why I'm thinking that, why I'm like, for example, over here, if you just see yesterday I tweeted something over here. Mm, there. There was a fair value gap. I was thinking that market will tap to that fair value gap, then it will go higher. So that was my expectation. So market came here. Yeah, it was true. Market came here, but it went much more lower. Then this is the last tweet I have done. There was the sell side liquidity. See over there. There was the sell side liquidity. There was the buy side liquidity. I was expecting market will take that sell side liquidity. It will tap to that fair value gap. Then it will go for that buy side liquidity. Market was overzealous. Went until that entry fair value gap. Then it went toward that buy side liquidity, and finally it is too far. Okay, too far over there. So yeah, I try to do that. If you are with me in my Twitter, you already know that. Okay, one t-shirt with boom. Sure, the design is done, bro. Yeah, there is the design. Actually, Peter gave me that design. Just a second. Where is that? Peter, where are you, brother? Peter. Outlander. I got you. Okay. There. This is the t-shirt design. Okay, can you please talk more about top step? What happens after you reach the amount, and what are the fees? Thank you, future friend. Okay, yeah, I can talk about that, but again, you just don't take the decision depending on my I mean explanation. Top step is a prop firm where there is three kind of evaluation. One is 50K, one is 100K, and one is 150K. There is one rule: either hit the target or hit the stop loss. That's all. Okay. For 50K account, you have to pay $49. For 100K, you have to pay $99. You will get everything when you will just search it in here. Okay, you have to just write it down: topstep dot topsteptrader.com. You will get their link. Okay, let me show you. Top step thing here. Here, topstep.com. If you go over there, what is that? If you go over there and then if you just do the subscribing or something, you will get everything. Okay, there, everything over there, you will get it. So what is there? They have only three: 50K, 100K, and 150K. For 50K, you have to pay $49, $99, $149 for 150K account. Okay, there is a profit target: $3,000, $6,000, $9,000. Over here, maximum loss limit 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 4,500. You can't hit more than $1,000 for 50K account in daily. Here, 2,000 per daily, and over here I guess it's $3,000 or $2,500. I don't remember. I finished this long time ago, like near about 6 months ago, so I forgot how was the daily max loss limit. I remember this one because recently I have completed 100K. That's why I remember it's 2,000. In top step, if you just blow your account, the eval account, then you can actually reset by the same amount of money, and for the first time maybe you will get some discount, more discount, so far I remember. And the top step TV keep posting the free fire drill. Okay, so you can get the fire drills to reset your account for free, sometimes for paying some small money, something like that. For withdrawing, you have to, after passing the eval account, then you have to pay $149 for the express account. Okay, after passing any of this account, for example you took that 50K or the 100K, you passed that, you hit that $6,000, then you have to pay $149 for getting the express account. When you will get the express account, there is no rules except the daily loss limit, and you will be able to withdraw 50% of your profit after 5 days. That means after, if you keep earning $200 every single day, after 5 days you will be able to withdraw 50% of that money, whatever you will earn. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. The comment must contain the word "we love T2." Boom. What is that? What to comment, bro? Okay. To win the t-shirt, it is important to comment in the live stream when it ends, and then brother Tito will use the link to randomly select a comment to win. Okay, Ryan, thank you brother for writing that. Yeah guys, that's the thing. You can do that. Ryan, can you please give me a message to my Twitter, because I really don't know if I have to do it. Then you have to tell me that through my Twitter. Okay, how to do it? You have to tell me that, or the Discord link I will send you. You will just tell me over there. Okay, how to do it, and I will do that in Saturday on Sunday or Sunday. Or if you have any link, YouTube link, so that I can see the video, watch the video, how to do it, I will do that. Good choice of words, brother Ryan. Yeah, thanks, man. So what is that? A comment. The comment must contain word "we love T2 Boom." Okay, so I'm gonna write it down. So if you want to win the t-shirt, you have to write down this. What is that, brother? We What is we love T2 boom? Okay, we love, what happened? Not there. We love T2 boom. Boom. So for getting that t-shirt, you have to write that after closing the stream to the comment box. You have to just write it down. Okay. If you write it down, then you will be chosen from the comment. So I will. We have to choose the person from the comment from today's live, as we hit the 5,000 subscriber today. So we are going to choose the random guy from the comment box. You have to just write it down. We love Titu boom. That's all you have to write down to the comment. Then we will choose one guy from the comment box. Is it clear? Yes, it's clear. That is very detailed info. Thank you, and I appreciate you. No problem, brother. You will get everything if you just search about top step in YouTube. Okay, brother. You will get every kind of information. Okay. What happens when you make loss or drawdown in pro firm, or blow your account? You'll just blow your account. You have to start from the beginning. That means the from the able account. You have to start from the able account, then you have to pass the able account, then you have to pay the $149 again to get the another account. Okay. Not here. Discipline mean Shahid Afridi, Shahid Salim. Not here, brother. After today's this session close. Okay. When this session will be closed, then to the comment box you have to write this exact this word. Okay. We love T2 boom. Yeah. When I will complete, I mean I will close the am I right, Ryan? I'm right. When I will close today's session, then to the comment box you have to write down this word. So I will tweet it to the Twitter as well. Please don't comment here in the chat box. It should be in the comment section later after this streams. Thanks folks. Yeah, I'm a sister. Okay, crypto, I'm sorry sister. I mean I'm sorry. Okay, I just keep telling brother. So I'm sorry. I hope you will understand. Exact words, folks. Yeah, exact words, folks. That should be boom with one, two, three, four. With four, O will be there. Whatever, guys. It's falling, but I'm not looking for sell. As I explained, I will look for a sell if market can make a 15-minute fair value gap over there. Then only then I'll look for a sell. Otherwise, I'm not willing to take any kind of sell. We left it to boom exactly like that. Thank you, man. We left it to boom. Not here. When I will close the session, after closing this session, then okay, after closing the session, then to the comment box. Otherwise, maybe we are not going to choose the person. So whoever comment after closing the session, whoever comment, they will be they'll be chosen. Okay, something like lottery or something, they will be chosen from there, not here in the chat box. After the session closed, then to the comment box. You can give away live here too if you want. I don't know, Patel, how to do it. Okay, but whatever, I will do it in Saturday on Sunday. Saturday or Sunday. Okay. Hey, admin, how are you? Walaikum salam, brother. How are you, brother? Guys, are you really? Do you love me, or you are just writing down for just simply you are just writing it down, or do you really love me? Okay, let me know that, and let me check the um, poll I started. So 85% people. Is it 85%? Yeah, I got it now. 78% people actually just watched the 10 a.m. news. I really, I really support you guys, and I really give you thanks. Whoever watched around 10 a.m. news, just watch the price. Thank you, man. 21% just took that entry. Let me know if anyone is here. Are you profitable or you are a loser from that entry? Okay, you take a loss. Just let me know that. I got to 233 votes. Thank you. Majority of the people didn't do anything. You guys are the real hero who didn't do anything. You should not do anything. Thanks for voting over there. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks to all for subscribing. I guess that I'm done for today. It's already 11:50. So PM session, even if I come, I'm not interested to take any entry around the PM session. The reason is no entry is valid from the PM session. Market is falling, right? Am I willing to take sell? No, I'm not interested to take sell. The reason is market is extremely bullish. So every time market is going lower, I'm seeing this liquidity taken. After taking the liquid, I have already explained that from the beginning, and we are very near to the lunch hour. I'm not interested to take sell from there. If anyone is interested, you can go, man. Thinking to sell it, what do you think? Admin, I have already told that, brother. We love you, bro. Thank you, Tony. Yes, brother, we are here to support you all the way. Thank you, Ryan. Everyone loves you too. Thank you, Peter. We love you too. Okay. Are we trading PM? Peter, I'm not gonna take any entry at the PM session. From the PM session, no entry is valid until non-farm payroll. That means that means Friday PM session, AM session. Until Friday AM session, no entry is valid according to ICT. Laya Gulian Costa. Okay. Uh, it is the last macro or the macro before lunch is not using. You can use, brother. Obviously, this is a macro 11:50 to 12:10 macro. Sometimes I use that. I'm not interested to trade right now. So, yeah, I was just reading the price from the beginning over here. So that was my entry. I don't need any more entry right now. I don't need to predict another setup from there. So I wasn't just look, and overall, I'm not looking for sell. I'm just looking for buy only. So for selling, first market has to make a fair value gap over there from 15-minute chart or hourly chart. Then market has to go to that fair value gap. Then it has to give me a setup from 1-minute chart. Then I'll look for a sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take sell. Every lower run, I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken. I don't know how far it will take the liquidity, how far it will fall to take the liquidity. So that is uncertain. Like over here, when I took that entry, that last fair value gap low was my target. I was confident that market is going to hit at least the low of the last fair value gap. If it is overzealous, it can go until the constant crossment. If it is more jealous, then it can go until the high of that last fair value gap. But the low of that last fair value gap is going to be traded. So there was a limit, but here I don't have the limit. I don't know how far market is going to take the liquidity. That's why I'm not interested to take sell. If I would love to take sell, I have to wait for another 15-minute fair value gap here. But if I wait for that, it will be in the lunch hour. So if around the lunch hour, no entry is valid. Just look at this price action. Don't think market is falling. I believe that market is just going to retrace some specific level, then it will go higher again toward that buy side liquidity. This is the reaction, just a reaction from a random level. Okay, this is the reaction from just a random level, that's all, brother, nothing else. I don't see a Harman for a long time. How I can know every time that no entry is valid, bro? What did you say, brother? How I can know every time that no entry is valid? I keep telling them when you should look for the entry and when you should not look for the entry. I keep telling that. So if you are with me and if you keep taking the notes, you will know that for sure. I love this random reaction. Okay, I really love that. Some of you can think, okay, I missed that entry. There was a market structure shift, maybe fair value gap, maybe, and I missed that entry. If you think like that way, that means you have a mentality of taking buy and sell. I don't have that type of mentality. If I'm bullish, I'll keep taking buy. If I'm bearish, I'll keep taking sell. For example, now this run worked perfectly. When price was here, remember there was a fair value gap as well. That was a perfect market structure shift, fair value gap. I told that if anyone would love to take sell, you can go for that. I'm not interested. What happened? Price went higher. Because I was bullish, I would love to take the buy setup. Over here, this is just a reaction from the last fair value gap. If you'd love to take the sell, you have to wait for the 50 minutes. I explained this in my Saturday stream. I explained. So just watch that Saturday stream. I believe that it's not a huge stream. Last Saturday, I explained from where you can frame your sell setup. Overall, I'm bullish because of this buy side liquidity. Here is some sell side liquidity that is suspicious. If I get any kind of, I don't know how to explain that one, but yeah, this is that. Okay, Volker, Gabriel, I feel the same, lol. Ali, what is that, brother? What did you feel the same? I mean, what is your question actually? Just let me know that your question. I'm gonna answer your question, brother. Okay? I love to give the answer. So tell me, what is your exact question? I didn't get your question. How I can know every time that's no entry is valid, bro? What do you want to know exactly? Let me know that. Titu, is it really no trade in lunch hour? You sure, bro? Kitten, I'm not gonna do that today. I'm not gonna do that today. Okay, last day I had no opportunity, so I had to mitigate some loss. That's why I took that entry. But today I'm not gonna take any entry. That's for sure. And if you are at your beginning, don't take any entry around the lunch hour. This is the weird time ever. I take most of my losses around the lunch hour. I took in my life most of the losses from the Patel. We love T2. Boom. Thank you, Discipline. Crypto. We love T2. Boom. Okay, guys, you have to write it down to the comment box. Not here, not the chat box. To the comment box, okay? I'm just gonna close my session around 12. After closing the session, just write it down to the comment box. That's all, brother. Not here. The 15-minute fair value gap below getting filled now. So, okay, from 15-minute chart, there is only two fair value gap which is important for me. This is the first fair value gap, which is called the last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. If I am looking for a buy setup, market has to reach to that 15-minute entry fair value gap at least. It has to come over here. If it has come already, oh, okay, it has already came to that 15-minute last entry fair value gap. Now I will look for a buy setup again. For example, if I get a market structure, is there a swing high which is valid? So far there is no swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. If market can give me another market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity, I'll go for that buy. Why? Market has taken the sell side liquidity. It came to the 50-minute entry fair value gap. All I need a market structure shift for that buy side liquidity. That's all I need. Okay, Sizo, is it clear, brother? Tito, is it really no trade in okay, I did your comment, brother. We love Tito Boom. Thank you, Imran Muhammad. Thanks to all guys for making today's so special. I got 5,000 subscribers today. Thanks to all, man. There is my Twitter link. If you'd love to join to my Twitter, I'll be really grateful to all of you guys. Ketanaha, not one day. It's like 2 to 3 days mitigation done in lunch hour only. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should not tell that. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, if I get, I mean, I'm sorry. Okay, but lunch hour is not good to trade. To be honest, don't trade around lunch hour. It's forbidden for you guys. When you will understand the price action, oh man, there will be no restriction. Even you will be able to catch the setup from the news. I catch the setup with my real money to the CPI. CPI, even the CPI, I took entry around the CPI news, before CPI news. I took that entry. I outlined that. I post the video to my Twitter. If you were with me, you know that already. I post that entry video to my account, okay, with real money, not paper money, with my real money. So when you will understand the price action, I'm not telling that I understand price action. All I'm telling you that when you will have some idea about the price action, there will be no restriction, no rules, nothing. Whenever you will come to the market, if you see get something better, you will catch that run. That's all. But for that, you need to read the price first. You have to build a better psychology. Everything has to be cleared, okay? For example, you see, I just pushed my button over there. I know that I can't push my button anymore. Don't you think that I saw something over here? Absolutely, man. I saw something over here. I got that first fair value gap entry over there. That was the perfect first fair value gap entry for me. I didn't push my button depending on that first fair value gap over here. The reason is I know when I should push my button and when I should stop. Sometimes I break my psychology as well. I blow my mind, but I do that only when I am in my bigger account, my main account, because there is my stop loss. I mean, my maximum loss is 6,000, which is nearly impossible to blow. Okay, so I do that when I'm only with my main account. When I'm in my small account, I'm always very, very disciplined. I'll keep seeing them. I'll keep seeing them. Even if I get a perfect market structure shift toward the upper move, I'm not interested to take that buy. The reason is I'm in my small account. I'm not gonna put my money, my profit to the table again. Simple. Maybe a foolish question. How much you want to fill the gap? Exact to 50%. Thanks for answering. No, just if it just come to that tap to the high of that gap, I will start to look for a buy setup. I will look for the buy setup until it reach to the low of that entry favorable gap. When it will tap to the low of entry favorable gap and it will break the entry favorable gap low, then I will start to look for the last favorable gap. But every single time I will just look for the buy setup, buy setup, buy setup every single time until the last favorable gap is not broken. I'm looking for buy setup. If I get the buy setup, I'll go for that. If I don't get it, I'll just let it go. 99% of the time when price will reach to the entry favorable gap or the last favorable gap, and after reaching there, if it give you a perfect setup, 99% of the time it will work. Sometimes it doesn't work. So in that type of situation, you will say a perfect setup didn't work. That's all, brother. Sarjasivastum, we loved you too. Thank you, brother, for loving me. I'm a boy, so only girls love are accepted. Okay, if the girls love me, then that will be accepted. Otherwise, it's not accepted. Sivastun. I'm just kidding. Before entry, or just a tap is needed. Just tap is needed. But if it go until the 50% or the until the low, it's okay, no problem. Is the order block more important than fair value gap? Everything, everything in this market create depends on the fair value gap. Breaker block, order block, rejection block, break what we have to say, market maker X model, buy model, sell model, whatever you say, every single thing depends on fair value gap. Every single thing in this market. Algorithm works only depending on the fair value gap. That means buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Every single thing depends on fair value gap. Without fair value gap, you will get nothing. I don't care about other people what did they say, but that's my experience. Usually no lunch entry, but Fed Chair Powell read folder news in 10 minutes. Yeah, I remember that. That's why I'm just waiting. Otherwise, so far ago, I just quit my streaming. Okay, I just remembered that 12:10 is the Fed Chair Powell, so I'm waiting. ভাত খাইছেন আম্মা? শুয়ে পড়বা? আচ্ছা, দরজা টরজা আটকাইছেন? বাইরে দেখা লাগবে? আচ্ছা, কিলো আছে? সমস্যা নেই। তোমার গলার অবস্থা খারাপ, ফ্যানটা ছাইড়ো। ফ্যান ছাইড়ো কিন্তু এই ঠান্ডা লাগবে না নে। আছে? What I was talking about, I forgot. Hey, Digital, how are you, brother? It's been a long. I didn't see your name, man. Can you zoom a bit, bro? Kindly see those. What do you What do you want to see, brother? Digital, what do you want to see, man? It's been a long. I didn't see your name. Mock home dropped so fast. It can, brother. When it went higher so fast. Now it is falling. It is falling so fast as well. This is the news time and lunch hour and before the power speak. Nobody should be should dare to take edgy around that type of situation. Trust me, man. He to explains market maker X models without explaining MMXM models. Love it. What did you say, Glenn? Oh man. So, a tap is needed, but when I set tight stop loss stops, it kills me. I'm trading 50k small account. Now, 50k small account trading through the Newark AM and PM is nearly difficult, nearly impossible for me. Okay, so I'm struggling with my 50k account when I'm trading through the Newark AM session and PM session because of the tight stop loss. I love putting stop loss very tight, but it hurts me most of the time. I'm slowly improving. Is there any credit to me, Sizo? I mean, did I help you anyway? Let me know that, brother, of your improvement. Just I need your true opinion, okay? If I help you, by anyhow, maybe little percent, okay? 0.0001% I my sharing or teaching helped you? Just be honest with that answer. If nothing helped you, tell me directly, okay? There are downward ones, but he only has long, handsome. Thank you, Sergio ICT. How are you, brother? You missed the real move. I'm sorry then, Mokhom. Yeah, I missed the real move, man. I'm happy to miss some move, real move. Picture Paul speak around 12:10, so I'm just waiting for that. If you have the red folder news in front of you, never ever be in the market. Never ever be in the market. That's the rules. If you broke that rules, you will regret. Okay. After Effect, it's really so easy to tell that there was a very nice setup or something. For example, After Effect, I could say market structure shift, fair value gap, price trade that fair value gap, boom. I could say that. But After Effect, it's really difficult when market is trading over there. So if you have a red folder news in front of you, never ever push your button. That's my request. That's the rules. You can't break that rules. Yes, sir. With your help, I passed combine. As I said, I'm with you for a month, I guess. Yes, 100% helped me to change my way to analyze market. Thank you, Caesar. Thank you so much for your true compliment, man. Paul speaks in 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. Ryan, as our support for brother, please consider joining here. Oh, okay. There is the membership link. If anyone is interested, you can you can take the membership if you want to. You will get that green name on the comment box. How long he is going to be speaking today? I have no idea. I just need 12:10. I will see around 12:10 how it works. That's all I want to say. I think it's going to be bullish from here. I'm expecting the same way, brother. Admin, I'm bullish as well. What is the way of profitable? 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 I don't know. You love brother Tito? If yes, you then follow his Twitter here for market updates. Yep. Thank you, man, for updating that Twitter link as well. Thank you, man. Thank you, Ryan. How can I give you that answer? Stock bulls. How is the way of profitable? Anybody knows that answer? If anyone knows, let me know that. How is the way of being profitable? Have you ever traded forex? Is your strategy works there? Sebastun, from 2020, end of the 2020, I switched to future. Before 2020, I was trading in forex. Over there, I was trading through the retail things. Okay, whatever I'm telling you here, every single thing will work in forex. You have to be careful with the wicks only, because the manipulation in forex is huge. It is universal. Whatever I'm telling you here, it's universal. I can't guarantee that it is working in crypto because I never try it in crypto. Never ever. In forex, in gold. Gold I have shown you, okay? In my live I have shown you that how beautifully it works in gold. Forex I showed it maybe 1 or 2 times, rarely, okay? Because of the manipulation, I don't like it because I can't put my stop loss precisely. I can't do it. I have to see how many pips here. 20 pips. Now I can put my stop loss over there by counting the pips. That is why I don't like forex right now. But it will work in forex absolutely perfect. We love T2 boom. Thank you, crypto brother. You have to write it down to the comment box, not here, okay? Folks, please don't flood the chat box. Thanks. Okay. Become a member and you get penguins. Oh, Peter, in Australia there's penguins? I don't think so. You are famous for the kangaroo. So far I know kangaroo. Yeah, you're famous for the kangaroo. So Fairchair Powell speak here. This is the candle where Fairchair Powell is speaking. Okay, there is no fair lookup. If there is no fair lookup, then this entry is not valid. I thought there will be a fair lookup. Let me check. This is inside the entry favorable gap. Yeah, I'm good to go for the buy. If I get any kind of buy setup, I could go for that. It is the lunch hour. This is the Fed chair Powell speak. 99% of the chance market will be consolidated. Are you use IPDA? No, I don't use that. Should we use IPDA? I don't know that. If you're interested to use IPDA, you can go for that, brother. But I don't use that. Get liquidity both sides. Yeah, I saw that. What is IPDA? I don't know what is IPDA, but I don't use that. Whatever it is. Which reliable platform for futures? I can't say that, brother, because if I say that, that means I'm recommending something. I don't want to recommend something. Okay, I'm trading through top step. That's all I can say. I don't know which one is reliable. I'm just trading through my top step account. That's all, brother. Yes, think of stops here, longs and shorts using that news. I hope you will stay with us for a long time. I hope so. Mm, I hope so, Ellie. Ellie, are you new here, brother? Ellie Perez. I didn't see your name before. Ellie. I saw it. I saw it. No, I didn't. I saw it maybe. News. I mean event from JPOW. Hmm. IPD is interbank price delivery algorithm. Brother Tito is not using that. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Thanks for confirming that, Ryan. I'm your subscriber since 1K. Master X. I didn't know that, brother. You have been with me for a long time, man. Then from 1K, that means you are with me from October, I guess. From October, you are with me, man. Let me know your condition. Did you get anything from me after being with me for so long? Did you get anything from me, Master X? Jesus, bro, there is no bad about sharing your top step referral and link so others can join. No, Caesar, I don't want to do that because that's a great responsibility. If something happened, then you guys will think, okay, why this guy just referred some bullshit from. Okay, I don't want to refer anything, not even for money, not even for free. No way. Okay, it's your job. Do your own analysis, and if you get something good, go for that. Thank you, Imran Mohammed. I didn't know that, but yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't use anything called IPDA. Thank you, Caesar, for understanding, brother. Is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely, it's valid for shifting market structure. All I need a displacement. Is it valid setup? Absolutely, it's valid setup. Why it is valid? Because market is inside the entry fair lookup from 15-minute chart over here. This is the entry fair lookup from 15-minute chart. So if I get a valid market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity, I'll go for that. If it keep falling, I'll just look them. I'll just see them how it falls, how beautifully it is falling. I will just look at them. I'm not interested to excel, at least not from here. 5-minute fair lookup toxic. I am not interested about 5-minute chart, brother. Brother T2 is here to teach about price action only. Pure learning, folks. No referrals. Thanks. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, guys. I think I'm done for the today's morning session. I'm not sure about the PM session, but that's for sure. I'm not gonna push my button. Not even in my main account. Not even in my small account. No account is gonna be traded around the PM session until Friday morning. I'm not interested to take any entry. If you ask me what is my expectation route right now, I can explain that little bit. I'm expecting higher market structure shift with some kind of fair value gap. Market will tap to that fair value gap. It will go for that buy side liquidity. I don't need to hold that until that buy side liquidity. All I need some small run maybe until that relatively equal highs. Until that, is that swing high is valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely perfect swing high, which is valid for shifting market structure. Okay, so that's all in short. If market keep falling, what I will do, I will just watch the market how beautifully it falls. Am I willing to take entry around the lunch hour? No. Around the PM session? No. Done for until the NFP. That's the rule. If you take entry, you will regret. It's really so beautiful to tell that how beautiful the run was. Okay, it's very easy to tell that, but after effect, before the price action, who can tell me what market is going to do? Nobody can tell me that. Okay, so I hope that you will understand the risk. You have to follow the rules, and the rules actually built by the experience. I'm not telling the rules from me, I'm telling the rules from ICT, except the 3:49 p.m. rules. Except that thing, the rules I'm telling you, I got it from ICT. So this is the ICT's experience, not mine. If you believe in ICT, you have to follow his rules. Okay. Stock bulls. Why you just repeat your question, brother? I mean, two, three, four times. Why you repeat the question, brother? Thanks all. Thanks Tito. Thank you, Peter. Don't forget to write down that we'll have Tito boom that word after streaming. So yeah, thank you. No one can tell we trade the probability games or consistency and small profit. Absolutely, that's the thing, man. Warning stock bulls. We'll have Tito boom. Yeah, just write down that word when I'm gonna close my session for now. After closing that session, whoever will write that on the comment box, maybe they will be picked for the t-shirt. Okay, so I have just showed the t-shirt. This is the t-shirt Peter has built that on, and he told that if we can hit 5,000 subscribers to my channel, we are going to give that to random people. Okay, so there is the 5,016 by today's live, so we are going to give that to random people. So until the next time, Nico Bruno, how do you spell your name? For commenting, you have to write down this. Okay, we love and it to comment B1234M. For the t-shirt, you have to write it down this, and the spelling of my name is, it's a TITU. That's the spelling. Actually, this is the spelling of my name. Okay. So yeah, guys, I hope that you got everything, and 8K will give away again. Okay, so 8K will give away again. Okay, man. So until the next time, cheers.